Hello guys, so we just began. Okay, so there is no one watching right now, so I will be waiting a few minutes until the guy comes, and that's it. So for today, hey Adventures, how are you? Here is oh, Bikes Night. You have changed your ID. Okay, that's good. App Ventures. What are you doing with this App Ventures? Are you doing apps? That's good. Thank you. You are the first. You are the first to be here. So why did you change your app? Your ID. Hey, incredible product. How are you? So there are 4 watching, so I will be waiting just a few minutes or a few seconds to begin. Yes, this will be my stocks profile. Yes, okay. Hey, Eli, Smiler, how are you? So, hope you are doing well this Saturday. So, the subject of today is how to be a professional trader. We try to see all the ins and outs of the so-called trader and professional. We try to see that, and hope you have a lot of questions for tonight. Okay, so we have 7 guys watching right now, which is very good, which is the beginning, and we will be waiting for others who are always here. So I am missing some people also. Hey, good Eli, how are you? Hey, Nacha Doloche, bonsoir, comment allez-vous? So it's very good to speak French and English and the other languages. It will be international live streaming. That's good. Oh, okay, you have a lot of questions. That's good. Hey, Ahmed, Zahaf, how are you? If you have a lot of questions, that will be salut, comment vas-tu, Kamel? That will be good. So, incredible product. Ask, what does professional trader? Okay, I want to ask, in which trading is halal? I want to start trading and I have lots of concern about riba. Okay. So, Eli, see. Now, please send me an email here, because this is another typically subject, and it's not of interest to the people here. So please, can you send me an email here, istockmoney@yahoo.com, okay, and ask your questions. I will answer them, okay, directly, privately, because this is like a private question. It has nothing to do with the community here. So we will be discussing this later, okay. And this is my my website. This is my website and the email. You can check that. Training level 1 is for free for those who want to do it. Okay, we are 13 people here. And the first question that you might ask is, what does it mean a professional trader? First, who is this trader that we are talking about? A trader, it means he buys and he sells stocks from the stock market in the short term. We can say a day trader or a swing trader, or we can say position trader. All this that they buy and they sell in short time. It means not an investor. So this is the first thing I want to differentiate before we begin our session. You should understand that the word investor is used wrongly in the media, in the TVs and online, and they say, oh, the investors have feared something, they sell. No, the investors, they don't sell because there is something happening in the market. They will never sell, because investors are people who invest for a company that they know for the long run. Okay? For the long run, it means many years, more than 1 year. Even the tax is less when you are like investing for more than 1 year. The tax will be easier for you than for the other guys. Okay, so first you should understand. Hey Brendan, you say, I recently started swing trading and it led me to finding your channel. I really like your videos. Nice job. Thank you very much, Brendan. You will learn here a lot. And Brendan, before I forgot, there is training level 1. When you go to my website, training level 1 is for free. You just go to the top and you find training level 1 is for free. So you take this advantage and you click the website. You find training level 1 for free. So it was $100, so I give it for free for all my new students or old students who haven't seen this, just to have a grasp about what is the basics of my strategies. Okay, so as I told you before, when we say trader, it means that a person who buys and sells stocks. Okay, I'm not speaking about investor, because a professional investor, most of these people have big money. Okay, they have big money and they wait. If you have $1,000, 1,000, how many years you can stay in order to become 2,000 or 3,000? How many years? Okay, you will stay, I don't know how many years you stay, depending on what you bought. But this is a small money. So people, when you are an investor, you should have a plan to invest a lot of money for the long run. So, hey Martin Miner, how are you? How long to run professional? What are you start? No, I will speak about the time and the process just through this thing. So I'm just at first I'm just trying to explain what does it mean a trader before we go to professional and we try to do the explanation. At first, you should always think that a trader is not an investor. Most of the investors, they have money. Take the example of Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is a professional investor. He is not a trader. He doesn't buy $10 billion today and he sold it for tomorrow. No, he will not do that. So he is not a trader. He will seek long term, okay, long term with some ads, with some mutual funds they buy, and the other stuff, his stuff will go up and then he will sell. Okay, so understand that investor, it is not a trader. Just hi Muniopan Mini, how are you? Just to get the feeling of a trader. It's just a person who likes to buy and sell stocks in the market for the short term. He can be day trader, he can be a swing trader like us, like my channel, or he can be a position trader. It means he seeks 6 months, 8 months, 1 year. He seeks longer trends. And all these people, they buy and they sell and in shorter times, not investing. Now, when we say professional, it means this ability to know the market this ability to make money from the market, and this ability to stay in the market. Because there are some who just begin 1 year or two, even they make money, sometimes they stop and they seek another thing, so they don't continue. So what I mean is those people who stay trading stocks for the long time. Infinity Gains, your channel is the best on YouTube. Thank you very much, Infinity Gains. Thank you. Yes, I'm good, Minipan. Thank you very much for all of you guys who are watching. So we are just beginning to explain what does it mean, professional trader, or how to be or become a professional trader. So the first two words that I've explained, and I will repeat, I say trader is a person who buys and sells the stocks regularly in short time. So it means less than 1 year, 6 months, 5 months. Any trader who does shorter trades are called a trader. Now, when you want to buy a stock or a company, and you like to be an investor, it means to stay and hold the stock for many years. And this is what the investors do, to stay for long, because they think that this company is small and in the future it can become big. Let's say, for example, if you take, for example, Facebook, the stock was let's say the stock was 1755, and it was going up. So those people who buy at 20 or 30 or 50 or 60, the stock is still going up, so they are making long investment in a company. Okay, this is investor. Hey, Canukustanian Warrior, how are you? It's a very long a very long ID, but it's okay. How are you? Now, so trading, you don't need to know the company. I always say, because someone sent me an email and he say, I have been studying this stock or this company for 6 months. I say, what are you studying in this company? What do you do? Okay, what do you do? I'm telling you where to buy, you make money, and then you sell. That's it. Why are you taking 6 months or 1 year or 10 years searching for the company? And who gives you the information for the company? It is the guys who own the company who gives you the information. So if they lie to you, so you will never make it. And it's not the company itself that makes its price going up. It's mutual funds. So forget about this company and about the thing. We are not doing investing here. I was watching a video on stop loss, order in market order, stop loss on quote, order is the limit. Is that correct? Which is better? Now, for stop loss, I have made a lot of videos. It's called the stop only. Stop. Let's say you bought the stock at, let's say, the buy at $10, and stop loss at $9.50. This is an example. Now, when you go, you should find a word. It's called the stop. There is no. It's called stop order. Stop. That's it. When the market goes down to 950, it becomes a market order, and your stock is sold by any available price. Any available price it should be sold with. So try always to find the word stop, not stop limit or stop market or stop whatever in your platform, because the platform, they there are a lot of names they put, and sometimes you get confused. So you should ask your broker, what is, I want only the stop order, stop. Where is it? That's it. Not market. Because if you put market, you are selling now, now you are selling. So this is not stop loss. Stop loss is if the price goes down to the price that you want to exit, because you want to stop your loss on this trade, this is called stop loss. So you should use order. That's it. But when you use order, it means you exit by force, whatever price. Okay? So this is what does it mean. No way to make it a limit order. No limit order, because sometimes limit order doesn't work. It doesn't work. Sometimes it's like this. The market jump over the price and doesn't work. So if you want to do a stop loss order, you should use stop. You don't use limit. Hey, Chris Craig. Oh no. That's why we say professional trader. No, stock trading is not a luck game. Because a luck game, okay, if it is based on luck and hope, it's called gambling. And trading is not gambling. Okay? Because in trading you have more chance to succeed than gambling. Gambling, it means you put all your money and you know you will never win. In most cases, because millions of guys, these companies mostly belong to the government, and they are collecting the people's money for free, because you will never win. It means you have no chances to win. 1 out of 1 or 50 million or 1 billion chances to win. But in trading, it's 50-50. You buy today, tomorrow you will have money. So it's not the same. And that's why I am making this live streaming for today, how to become professional trader. Okay? So, and in order to please, like Chris, like Infinity Gains, those who are new, I made training level 1 for free. So those who wants to check training level 1 for free, please go to my website and join training level 1 for free, and then you watch 28 videos about my strategies. This is basic of my strategies, okay? Just to get an idea what is in strategy, what is swing trading. Here is my website and email. Yes. Yes. It is just someone who is harvesting money from people. And mostly these companies belong to the government. It means they are taking all the money of the people, and then they give little bit of money to the winner. Okay, if there is a winner, little money. When you see, for example, 100 million, 200 million, but you don't know how much they got. It's not all the money. It is just a fraction of what they get. The people are very generous in gambling. They are putting too much money, and too much money is taken from them. Each week, each day, each month, people are just sending. If they put their money, each town or each city put their money and make companies and make schools, and they will create another towns in few years. But unfortunately, people are just, if they just put this money into the stock market, into an account, 100 people or 200, 1,000 people, they put all their money in one account, and one is trading for them, or they are trading. Believe me, at least they will not lose their money. All their money is there always. But people, it's people, they want, because of their greed, they want to do little bit money, and they want to get a lot of money. And this greed makes them lose all their money or their life. Could you spell limit order, please? Depasis Nayak, what is the limit order? A limit order is to buy the stock. Let's say the stock is $10. The bid is $10. The ask is $10 1 cent. So when you put limit order to buy, limit order, you ask for the ask price, which is 10.01, and then if you hit the order and you click it, you submit it, either you get 10.01 or you can get less, which is better price. This is the limit order. It is just when you want to buy a stock. Even you want to sell, you can do a limit order, but if you want to, if there is volatility in the stock. Okay, and please for Depasis, there is a training, free training in my website about the chart and about the bid and ask lessons. Please go to my website and the chart. Okay, so please go there and check this this free training. And there is training level 1 also, which is free. You should get there from the website. Go to my website and click it and find it, and just later, after we finish this, you can go and watch the videos if you have time, and you have the training. Okay, I tried to sell a stock pre-market on the limit order and didn't work. It still don't know why. Okay, App Ventures, when you want to sell by limit, you understand that the liquidity is little. It means there are not a lot of buyers who wants to buy the stock. That's why most of the time the limit order doesn't work that much. But it is the only way. Okay, after the market close, there is no other way to use the stop order. You can't buy market. There is no market, so they ask only limit. So you should accept that. There is no other thing. You should accept the limit order, and you wait and you do it again, and you check the bid. If it goes down, it goes up a little bit, you change. Okay, thank you very much, Depasis, for this. And as I told you, App Adventures, try not to trade after hours, except when you want to sell. If you have a gap up and you want to sell, you should put limit order under the bid. Maybe they accept your bid very quick, and they and you sell very quick. Okay, so it's hard, I know, but this is because there is no buyers. Most of the time there is no buyers, so you can't sell. So why you want to sell then? If in the morning the people will buy the stock and it goes up, so why you want to sell? So don't trade after market hours. It's not a good idea to trade on that price, because that price changes a lot, because there are big transactions happening there. So there is no need to do that. Yes, under the bid. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. But App Ventures, I ask you and I suggest to you, don't trade after the markets, except when you are doing day trade. If you are doing day trade, for example, you are waiting for the news. When it comes, you want to sell because you see the stock has been going up so good, and you want to exit. That's okay. You are doing day trade. You are not doing swing trading. Swing trading, you leave the stock until the morning is better. I was scared they were going to short sell it. it had a small gap up. It's very good that you left that your sell order doesn't work because you are getting money in the morning. So for me, most of the time I don't use pre-market or after-market except when there is a gap up. When there is a gap up and the stock is liquid, I can sell, yes. Kamal, what's conditional? Now, what do you mean? In which subject are you talking about? What's conditional? Conditional of what? I don't know these conditions that you are talking about. So, as I told you before, try not to play out of the market hours. Yeah, I mean, before the market hours, after the market hours, because there are some volatility. Sometimes the stock goes up, sometimes it goes down, and you have ideas, and then in the morning, it will be the opposite of what's happening before. So there is no need to check that. There is no need to trade out of hours. So as I told you before, a professional trader is someone who is doing trading as a business. He has a capital. Capital, it means you have money to work in the market. Don't tell me you have $1,000, $2,000 and you are becoming a professional trader with $1,000, $2,000. This is little money. You can't do nothing in the market. So you should have capital. So what is a professional? Is it someone who makes a living? No, it is not someone who makes a living, because why you stop yourself from making money from other stuff? Why you think that you keep one thing? This idea of keeping one thing is the idea of regular people who have jobs. Okay? People they want just to study, to go to university, to have a good job, and that's it. To work this good job, and that's it. But people who are entrepreneur, they don't want to have what we call one income. Okay? A lot of people who are swing trading, they are investing, they are buying real estate, they are doing other ventures. It means they make the money move always, not stay in one thing. So living from your trading is not the only thing that you can imagine of. You should open your mind to other possibilities of income. So why you should say always, when you say professional trader, you think that he should have this and do nothing? Why? Who said this? And who is applying this? No one is applying this. Okay? So people, you should open your mind. When you become when you have money, you will see opportunities. But when you don't have money, you don't see any opportunity because you don't have money. And even you don't search for opportunity because you don't have money. Money makes the thing move to a positive way. Okay? Eli Smiler, where are you based? I am in North Carolina in USA. Hello Madikar, Gadarla, how are you? So as we have just begun explaining the two words, who is the professional trader? And I say professional trader. Professional, it means you do it seriously as a business. Okay, you do it as a business. It means you know what you are doing. You know how to make money from the market. You have many years in experience. Okay, doing this thing. Now, what's this thing? Is trading, buying and selling stocks. You know a lot, and you trade a lot, and you make money from the market. This is what we mean by a professional trader. We can say there is another thing. We say amateur trader is all the beginners and intermediate level who are just beginning with little money, and they are just struggling to understand the market. These are amateurs, like beginners, you know, just begin to understand the market. So you are not professional, you don't have money, you don't know how to trade. There are a lot of things that you don't know. That's why you are just trying. You want just to practice in order to be good in the future. So this is the first thing you should understand, that when you say professional, it means someone who is serious. Now, how many years to practice for to be professional? It depends on you. It doesn't depend on anyone else. Some they succeed in 1 year or two. Sometimes they stay longer. Sometimes they stay less. This depends on you and how you understand the market quicker than the other guys. Okay, so it depends on you. It doesn't depend on the market, because the market is always there. From the 16th century in Amsterdam, we have two stocks. Until now, this was in Europe. Until now, we have the same market. It means just stocks in the market, and you trade. No one knows which stock goes up. No one knows which stock goes down. So you trade, and you try to make a strategy from that, and you succeed in the market. So the market is always there. So it's up to you, okay? When you are ready to study, ready to understand, ready to practice more and more and more, and take it serious. Serious in many ways, in terms of money, in terms of your account, in terms of your understanding of education, and a lot of stuff, okay? It means just to understand the game. If you don't understand the game, okay, you will never make it. I will tell you right now a story about, I have read a story about a gambler, a very, very famous gambler, who was a trader also, but he likes gambling also. He has, this is a story. There is a game, I don't know, is it roulette or something like that? I think it's a roulette. It's just a game when you put a number, you bet on a number, and you push it, it turns, and then if it stops in your number, you will win. So this guy, thank you very much, Canadian Warrior. No. Can you Christian? When you go to subscription, you find 4 training levels. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You will find them in the subscription. Oh no, he Up Ventures. He's not Jesse Livermore. No. Jesse Livermore was not a gambler. No, he wasn't a gambler. He was a true trader. That guy was a true trader. I'm speaking about someone else. He was professional gambler. He trades very well, but he has ideas on how to make money from gambling, but it is a smart professional way. It is not throwing your money and waiting to win. No. What does he do? You know, he bet, I think, 1,000 times. He bet 1,000 times on the same roulette. For $1 each. Okay? Try to understand what he did. Now, why he has done 1,000? It means when he stay in this roulette, he plays $1,000. It means each time he put $1. You know what he is doing? He is trying to find what are the problems of this roulette. What are the numbers that this roulette will give each time? And he find that there are some numbers that always it stops at. So he bet a lot of money on this on these numbers. Now, what did happen? Is that yes, he lost $1,000. He tries 1,000 times, but when he began to make couple of $100,000 until $1,000,000 at that night. This is a big deal. This is the professional I'm speaking about. They are so intelligent people. They are not people who throw their money like this. So they want to understand what's the problem of this roulette. What is the weaknesses? Because when the roulette is old, it should have a problem and it doesn't work good. So he wants to take profit of this. Okay? Yes, can you Christian Warrior? You should go and you find them. You find training level 1 until training level 4. And you will find all, and then you find subscription. How many hours? No, sometimes 2 minutes. Hey, Eli Smiler, I don't dedicate any time except when I search. Now, when I search for stocks, it could take 30 minutes or 35 minutes. I search, I find stocks, and I put them in the chart and I buy them. This is, hey Zorba, how are you? This is what I do, Eli Smiler. Because when you get to know our strategies, you will think differently. Because my strategies are very simple. You go to the search and you search. It gives you a list of stocks. You put them in the chart. Then you use my criteria and you use the best stock, and then you buy it. It doesn't take that much time as you might think. And tomorrow, if the stock goes up, you don't do nothing. So many days, maybe you do nothing. So this is how I work. So it doesn't need time from me. Okay, that's why swing trading is better than day trading. Hey, Jose, Joa, how are you? We are just beginning with this theme of today: how to become a professional trader. And I'm just explaining what does it mean, professional, a trader. And I say professional, it means you are serious. Okay, you take things serious. You think that this is a business, and you are having experience. You have made money before, and now and in the future you will be making money because you have understood the market and how it works. And you are doing specifically trading. It means buying and selling stocks. Either you can be day trader or a swing trader, as we do here. Okay, this is what we mean by a professional trader. Now, how to become professional trader? I will explain one by one the steps, and you will understand in this session everything about how to become a swing trader. Kareem, I found the stocks who have the momentum going up, but it doesn't last much. Thank you. You are good and on. Thank you very much. Thank you, Eli. You can, as I told you, Eli, you can send me an email, and you tell me which country are you from. Are you here in the USA or out of the USA? And we can discuss all the subjects that we speak about before privately about this. Now, I found the stocks who have the momentum going up, but it doesn't last much. Now, App Ventures, did you buy these stocks? How do you know they last short or long? Okay, if you buy them and they don't last long, yes, sometimes they do, but it doesn't mean that any stock you buy and it has momentum, it will be a winner. No, not like this. You will never know until you sell the stock. When you sell the stock with a profit, you say this is a winner. This is how do you know? How can you say that just because you see the stock is good at the beginning, you say it's a winner? You can't. I feel like I buy and then it goes up for a day or two and then it does. No, adventures, you should not feel. There is no feeling in the stock market, in trading. If you want to become professional trader, don't feel. When you see a good stock, you see my criteria as met, and you find a good chart, just buy, put stop loss. That's it, what you should do. Don't think about the future. Because the future, what if this stock is $10 and after a few days it goes to $20? What did you say? You say, oh, I should buy it? No. This you are just playing. You are not serious about doing business. If you are serious, don't think about anything because you don't know your future. What you should do is when you find an opportunity, you buy. Put stop loss and leave it. And then after 1 week or two, you will see if it goes good or not. What is the minimum investment can I start with? Now, see, I will not tell you how much you need. Because if you have 2,000, I can't say to you, bring 100,000. I can't, because you don't have. So begin with the money that you have. But my idea is, try to save more money for your account. A bigger account is better than smaller account. This is the rule. Okay, this is the rule. Always save more money to your account because it is an investment for the long run. You are trading for many years. You are not going to trade for 1 month or two and then you stop. If you are thinking to trade 1 month or two a stock and you stop, it means you are not serious about trading. You are just playing for fun, or just playing for fun, or just gambling for a little bit and then you stop. So this, you are not serious. You are not serious to continue. How much money you would do for starters for trading? So Makukar, Gadala, please, any money that you have, you can begin with it. Because if I tell you a number, maybe you don't have this money and you will be disappointed. So the first thing to do is you begin to practice first. You need money when you know how to make money. When you know how to make money, you discover it by yourself that you did need money. When you find opportunities in the market and you don't have money, okay? And after a few days you see all these stocks going up and making good profits. What can you say to yourself? You say, I should have money. Now this is what I'm telling you right now. In the future, when you want to become a professional trader, you need more money. You should save more money from your jobs or from whatever. Save more. Even if you don't trade, you save. You save more money. Commissions take a high percentage. Yes, yes. Commissions will eat up all your money if it's small. This is all the people know, because I told it many times that commissions will eat your money because it is small. For some reason, look up app on my phone loads level 1, but when I log on a PC, I see all the levels. Yes, what's can you question what is the when you go to your PC, I see all the levels. So what's the problem? Oh, try to, I don't know, try to for this I think you should go to the menu and switch to buying. There is a thing that is called switch to buying. Please write this. Go to the menu on the top right and switch to buying, and then click on the library. You find it in the middle. Then find the video and click the video. You will find the list. This is all the people they told me like this. It happens like this. So you should just check what is wrong in your app. Okay, so if you see it in your computer, you should see it on your app. Okay. Then find a click. Now you say, what conditional order? Well, which order, Kamal? You are speaking about order conditional. I don't understand. What do you mean by conditional order? What are you talking about? Are you talking about selling like with like stop loss, or what are you speaking about? So you should give me the whole thing. You are just giving me part of the sentence, and you repeat it, but I don't understand what you mean, or what subject are you speaking about. So you say, what conditional order? What do you mean by this conditional order? So as I told you before, a professional trader, it means you are in the stage where you are making money from the market. It doesn't mean that you are, when you say professional trader, that you are making all your money in your life about trading. This is not true. Okay? No one can stop you from doing many things at the same time. Okay? Some people, they trade, they have real estate, they own things, they have other businesses. So it's all the money that comes to you because you open your mind to opportunities in the market, in the business market. I'm not speaking about stock market. Stock market is one thing, but there are other things that you can do. So stop thinking that when someone says stop professional trade, that is making money only from this. Okay? Oh, it is a menu in E-Trade. I have no idea about this. Please, Kamal, send me an email with a picture to my email. Send me a picture and show me this, because I in option house that I have, I don't see this conditional order. I don't. So I don't know. And understand that my broker was bought by E-Trade. So E-Trade, we are using E-Trade right now. Okay. So I don't see this. Please send me a picture in my email, and we will discuss this, because it is something specific with the broker. So I don't know. Oh, you, Abdurrahim, it means you want to trade to go long and then to short, whatever you want to do, but it depends if you are right or wrong. Okay, it depends on the stock. If it's true, it goes down and for many days and you make money. And Ibrahim, try not to short penny stocks, small stocks. Try not to do that. If you want to do that, it should be in the day trading, not in swing trading. Because the stock, $1, you see it going down to 90 cents or 75, and then the next day you find it $5 or $6. Believe me, you will go bankrupt, and you will be the broker will ask you too much money in order to sell your car, to sell your house. So be careful. Don't short the stock in penny stocks. Small stocks, don't short them, except when you are day trading. Yes, day trading, because you can exit very quick. But in swing trading, you can't exit. Okay, and sometimes it happen bad things in the market. So don't play with this dangerous, and avoid short selling. And if you want to do it in the day and exit. Don't do it like swing trading. This is my advice. It means my suggestion, because I don't give advice here. It's your trading, but I'm telling you where is the risk. So don't short in swing trading. I'm telling you, it's very, very dangerous. Sometimes the stock is going down, and then we have good news, and then the stock is going up a lot, and you will lose a lot of money. Okay. I think he is talking about placing an order with conditions. Oh yeah, yeah. So I have no idea about order about conditions. For me, when I search a stock, I find a stock to buy. I just go and buy it. Why I should put conditions, or what conditions is put? I'm trying to buy now, not in the future. Okay, I don't buy with target. It means I will put a price in the future, and if the stock goes that, I will buy it. This technique is used a lot in day trading. I don't use it. I should see at the end of the day where the stock is. Okay, so I don't buy blindly like this. I should see the stock where it is now to buy it. So yes, thank you Abdurrahim, thank you very much. So I don't buy stocks with orders, with conditions or whatever. I find a stock, I put limit order on how much I buy, I just say buy. That's it. If the stock is with illiquid, it means it's not volatile, it's not liquid, it means there is no millions of shares traded a day. I can buy by market. I just buy it with whatever price is there, because it goes only few cents. And we in swing trading, we are not following cents, we are following dollars. I want a stock that it is 10, it goes to 14, 16, 17, 20. This is what I want. I don't want a stock that I bought it at $10 and I sold it at $10.25. This is not swing trading. This is day trading. Okay, so understand that we are for thousands of dollars in each single trade. Even if you have small account, you can make it. Okay, you can make it with some stocks. So you should learn how to search for stocks. Okay, so as I told you before, how to be a professional trader, you need time to practice. Okay, you need time. It's not a very quick thing. My economics professor at the university told me to be aware of brokers and trading application with a so-called analyst that will make the work for us. What do you think? Yes, he's right. He's right, because no one will know the future. Your economics professor, he can tell you that no one knows the future. We are buying and selling stocks by signals, by looking at the price. We are not looking for analysts to tell us what will happen to the stock in the future. He doesn't know. If he knows, he will sell his house, he will sell his car, he will sell everything, and he put them in the stock if he knows. You see that? He doesn't know. That's why he doesn't even buy the stock. Those analysts are people who are paid to tell what they tell you. They are paid. Understand that. I have made a lot of videos explaining about these analysts and about these reporters and about these people who tells you, oh, these stocks will go up. How do they know? What is the guarantee? There is no guarantee in the market. Okay? If they know, they would buy it by themselves and they will never tell you. Okay? So Chris, your professor is right. Okay? Trading is a probability experience of trading. So there should be a way to make money through probabilities. And this is what I explain in my strategies. If you are interested, you can take training level 1 for free. It is in my website. Training level 1. It gives you my basics of my strategies, and then you can continue. Here is the email and website. Please go there. If you don't find, just ask me a question by email. I will answer you. Here we are trying to get richer, and in comes the broker to make us broke. Yes. Now, see, understand the broker is there that when you trade, he makes commissions and fees. That's why he gives you money. If the broker knows how to make money from the market, he can use the billions of dollars he has in his account. He is giving you this money for 2% or 3%. Okay? If this guy knows how to trade, it means this broker, he will never, he will do a hedge fund. He will not do a broker. He will do what we call a hedge fund. Okay, Chris, thank you very much. Yes, Chris, understand. My training level 1 is free. Just you get it and you watch the videos. If you like the way the strategy goes, you can continue. If you don't like, you just watch YouTube videos and that's it for you. Okay? So thank you very much for... do you also trade on binary option? What do you think about that? No, Renor, I don't go to options. Options is you put all your money on risk each time. I don't put my money on risk each time. Let's say you, in order to understand this, what if you put $10,000 and tomorrow we have bad news and you will have $500? What do you think about that? Options, you can lose everything. All the money that you put in the trade, you can lose it. Now, in stock market, it's impossible to lose all your money, except when there is a bankruptcy. Now, see, there are a lot of people, a lot of traders. They make signals, they make in software, and they sell it or they rent it. Okay. But they don't show you why, so you are not learning anything from them. It's the same as analysts. When they ask you, you say these stocks are good. Okay, so avoid automatic things in trading, softwares and these things that you ran, this is thing that you bought, or some people they will send you stocks. Avoid all that because you are not learning nothing from them. Okay, they just give you stuff and that's it. You can do better by yourself if you learn a strategy like my strategy, for example. Okay, you will understand why you do this and why you do that. You understand how to make money. You understand how to buy, how to sell, how to follow your stock, how to put stop loss. Everything in your process, you know it and you grasp it. It means you understand everything. Okay, you don't need someone else to tell you what to do because you know everything. That's the thing that we are trying to make with people, professional traders. Okay, so the best thing is to understand yourself, and you search by yourself. You select stocks by yourself, and then you make money by yourself. This is the best thing we are looking for. We are not looking for someone who sends you stocks like stock picks or companies to buy for the long run. Or this is like a stupid idea. If you follow it, you will make no money and you will lose a lot of money. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's just no, people they think that the other people they know the future. Understand that no one knows the future. We, for example, we use probabilities. We use the price as when it moves, we move with the price. If it continues, we make money. That's it. It is so simple in the market to do this strategy. We are not predicting. We don't predict anything. For example, when I buy a stock, I don't say that this stock will go up. I say it meets my criteria, yes. And I think it is good, yes. But I don't guarantee anything in the future that my stock will go up. So I should stay and wait. Ahmed Zahaf, can you tell us something about selling a stock when there is no buyers? No, why you buy illiquid stocks? You should not buy stocks that have 5,000 volume, or 10,000 or 15,000, 20,000. You see at the beginning, before you buy, you find the bid and the ask is so wide. It means there is no traders are trading this stock. Why you go to this kind of stocks? Why you don't go to stocks when we have millions and you can buy and you can sell at any time? You should see the chart history and you see when there is, if the stock has a lot of few or little volume each day, daily, it means that this stock is not good. So be careful of this. You said Buffett was talking about a service that a lot use. They can see what big fans buy. How do they know? Mutual funds, they don't tell what they buy until many months. This is the rule in the FINRA. When you go to Facebook, for example, you find who are the big owners of Facebook. You will find these big owners, but they don't tell you when they buy. Okay? If they are buying and they tell you, all the people will make money. So there is no service. This is called what you call insider trading. This is punished by the government, by the FINRA. If the people, they get information about mutual funds, the managers and they will never give information about what they do, except when they finish buying. After 6 months, 1 year, you see the big trend, and they say, "Oh, we have bought." Yes, they said that because you see the trend and it's all over. And when you buy, you want to buy, they will begin to sell. This is the game. So the information they give you is an old information. You can't use it. Ismat Rashid, what about trend trading? Yes, we are a trend trader. We are doing swing trading. It means we're following short and long-term trading. Yes, we are doing what you are saying. Thank you very much, Riror Hilalish. Thank you very much. Yes. No. It's not. It's not because of regulation. They don't buy at a shot or one shot. Zorba. No. Because the day traders, they will know and they will make millions and billions of dollars at a day. And if they stop buying, other day traders and hedge fund, they come to this stock and they short it. So if that mutual fund has already sold, he can't buy more. He already bought. He can't buy more. So this is the game. How do we know the mutual fund? By my strategies. It means we are following the hands of the big mutual funds in the stock itself, and this is why we buy and this is why we sell. So how can we know when they first start? Yes, by my strategies. And this is what I'm teaching. Training level 2, training level 3, how to search for stocks using stock scanner. This is my criteria. They show you the beginning of the mutual fund when they are buying. But it is not any stock will go up. No, there are probabilities, and we will play with these probabilities. Okay, that's why sometimes you see a lot of stocks in many weeks or many months, they go very long trend. Like last year, you see utilities for 6 months. They go straight up for 6 months. Now, for those people who bought the stock and stay in the stock, you will have made a lot of money. But if you don't follow, you can't. You say, I think I found one. Okay, congratulations, App Ventures. Congratulations. Hello, MD Trader. Yes, you are a bit late. We have 1 hour speaking, but it's okay. Sniper Trader. No, it's not Sniper Trader. It's just following some basics of price, and we are following mutual funds. If we find a stock and we and it is a winner, you can make thousands of dollars of this stock. Believe me, you can. And I showed last time when I say in my last session, when we do how to make thousands of dollars in each single trade, I showed you how, in terms of calculations, in terms of stocks. Oh, okay. Eli, you say how long to stay with the trade? No one knows. It depends on the stock. If the stock continue to give money for 3 months, are you staying, or are you exiting the trade in 1 week or in 1 day? Okay. So this is how I teach how to follow an uptrend. It means how to follow the stock until it gives all its money, and then when it stops giving nothing, and then we can exit. This has techniques to be done, and this is training level 7. If you go to my my training, you find it training level 7. Thank you very much. Thank you. Ah, yes, yes. I see that in technology stocks. Yes, yes, it happens to all of these kind of stocks, because maybe they have been in a long trend, and they stop going up, and then they go down. Mutual funds, they sell them, and they go buy other industries. So you don't tell the mutual funds why you don't sell tech, because I bought. Okay, it's their money, so they sell shares here and they buy others on the side. No, I don't say it stops. You should see if it is a sell-off or just a correction. You should follow these stocks after 1 week or 2, and you should see, are they going down for long, or it is a sell-off. If it is for a few days and it goes up again, for me, I have 1 stock or 2, and I sold them because they touch my stop loss and I am out. So I will not go to them, so I don't care. I'm going to other stocks. You say, why can't mutual funds short stocks? It's regulations. Because they have all the money in the market. If they short the stock, what does it mean? It means they put all the prices down, and the stock market will be lost. We have no stock market anymore if they short the market. But hedge funds, they can do that. Hedge funds, they can do that. Yes, I trade penny stocks, yes. Penny stocks are risky, but I try to find the best of one, but I don't go to pump and dump scheme stocks. Okay? If you want to know what are the stocks that I go to in my strategies, I go to let's say training level 10, how to trade. It's called how to trade penny stocks. Now, how to trade penny stocks, I give the kind of charts that we are looking for. I'm not looking for pump and dump schemes. If you want to go there, it is so risky, and you can trade them. Yes, you can use my strategy and you trade them, but the risk is too high. You should like risk too much. You should have money in order to have big risk, but you can have a lot of money. You can do a lot of money, but it is so risky. So training level 10, how to trade penny stocks. It gives you characteristics of this kind of stocks and charts, and it shows you what is good, what is bad. Don't go to pump and dump schemes, which are manipulated by people. Now, these stocks that I'm using, they are not manipulated. It means they go slow, and they are out of the play of these guys, they do manipulation in the market. No. See, understand. Hedge funds are just a manager who is a trader, and the rich gives him, let's say, $50 million or $100 million or $200 million or $1 billion, and he trades for them, either by making money or losing money. So they are into a big risk, and these guys, they do what they can to make money in the market. So they go long or they go short. They do a lot of stuff. High frequency traders, there are people who use the softwares, people who use, but it doesn't mean that they are making money. Okay, because the market is not run by machines, it's run by human being. That's why the market is illogical always. Okay, it's illogical. You think that this stock will go up and it goes down, and one stock you think it goes down, it goes up. So it's always illogical because the people who is running the stock market. Because if it is machines, it will be very easy. You just see what they are doing, like math or something, and you follow them. Most of the time, I don't short stocks. And if you want to short stocks, you should do it in a day, as a day trader. That's why I am a swing trader. I don't short stocks. But if you want to go, you can go to training level 11. How to short sell a stock, and I will show you the way to short it. Okay, but this is done mostly in the day trading. I don't do in swing trading. Yes, machines can lose money because they play with men, and men manipulate machines. Okay. Yes, you know, a lot of stocks, depending on mutual funds they buy, it's a lot of business, a lot of business. It's just execution. The people with high volume, the people, they like it because there is a lot of volatility in the stock. They can go up very quick, can go down very quick. So people, day trading, they can make a lot of money from them because they are volatile. That's why they like them. Incredible product. We are not speaking about this, but religious things. You can send me an email. Here is the email, because we are not doing any religious things here. In the daytime, there is no interest rate for day trading. I told you there is no interest rate. So they give you the money, the stocks, the shares, and you borrow shares and you give it back to them in the day. There is no interest rate. Interest rate is when you hold the stock for many days. And I told you I don't do shorting stocks at all. So if you have any question, incredible product, you can send me an email and we can discuss this in private, because it's not something that the people here are interested in. And as I told you before, a professional trader, as I told you before, there are a lot of things that he has made to reach that stage. It is the last stage. Okay? From now on, you need what? You need only money. More money to make more money. More money to make money. Because he understands the game. That's why most of the companies that are private, when they know how to do business well, they want to become bigger and bigger. What they do? They go to the stock market and become public. They sell 30% of the company, or 50%, or whatever is percent they ask them, and then they get money in order to make them bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay? So it's like a professional trader. When you know how to trade, what do you need? You need money. That's why I always speak about money. Some people, when they are beginners, they don't understand this until they become professional, until they understand the market and they can make money. What are holding costs? Yes, if you are Zorba, if you are doing short selling, if you think the stock is going down, you should pay interest rate if you stay many days or many weeks or many months, 2% or 3% or 5%, and this is a big cost for you. Yes, you know, it's millions of people who are trading, so no one knows what's going on. Okay, so it is a hidden thing. Don't try to explain things that you can't reach. No one reach, even the professional, they can't reach, because it's a free market. If you right now you want to buy or want to sell, who stops you? No one stops you. So other people who have big money, no one stops them. They can buy, they can sell, they can do whatever they want. Okay, and they don't care what will happen in the market, so they do what they do in order to make money. Yes, the cost of short selling depend on broker, because interest rate is different. Some they ask 2%, sometimes 5, sometimes 6, sometimes 7, sometimes 10. It depends on each broker, and each broker is free. Is free to put whatever he wants, depending on the people that are there. Okay, depending on the people. So, as I told you before, a professional trader, as I told you before, is the last stage. The only thing the professional trader are thinking about is to have more money, to make more money, because they will find opportunities. Now, opportunities, you know, they don't wait for you. Each day there are opportunities in the market. Understand that. Facebook was 1755 5 years ago. Now Facebook will not go to 1755 and then go up to 150 or 52. Okay, it will not go back for you. So it's over. You didn't buy before. Okay, so there are opportunities that happen in the market. It's a specific time. That's why when we search, each day when you search, you find other opportunities. Okay, and it's daily opportunities. So that's why I always say that it's where you are that makes you the money. Some stocks are going up, you are making money. If you are in other kind of stocks, like last week, everybody who was in technology stocks, most of them they lose money. But other stocks, they are making money. So you see, it depends on you where you are. Oh no, I'm right now I'm trading only on E-Trade, which is a option house, and they bought it. I only one platform. I don't trade many platforms. Yes, for some companies that they come as an IPO. Yes, initial public offering. Now, why they go to public and they sell their shares? It means half of their shares, or it's just because to have money from the people. It means people give them money to be with them. So those people, they give you virtual shares, but they get money which is real. You understand the game. Okay? That's why in America here the economy is good. It's just because the people, they help companies by buying their shares, and they become bigger and bigger and bigger. But who makes the money in real? It's the companies itself and their CEOs and their workers and their executives. Those who make the money. You don't make, except when the stock goes up. So the people, they don't understand a lot of things. But okay. Hey, Andrit Onozi, how are you? You come late today. It's 1 hour 19 minutes left. Thank you very much for coming. So as I told you, yes, IPOs for you, if you are interested, each week, each 2 weeks, each month there are IPOs, new companies. Sometimes some they are very famous. Okay, it's very dangerous, but you can, if you want, if you can buy. If they go up very good, you can make a lot of money. When you put stop loss, does it always fill and sell the stock even if you are not on the computer at the moment? Yes. This is Andrit Onozi. Stop loss is just you ask it's an order. You ask your broker, it means when you put stop loss, that let's say you will sell at 9.30. If the stock goes down 9.30 cents, you will sell. Now if the stock goes to 9.30, it becomes a market order. Market order, it means you will sell with whatever price, yes, but you should use a stop order. Don't use limit order. Use always a stop order to exit. Thank you very much. Ahmed Zahaf, if I have watched all your trading courses, can I trade profitably? You trade profitably when you understand and you practice. It's not theory that makes you, it depends on you, it doesn't depend on me. Because the strategies, it shows you, it will make you understand everything. When you do a mistake, it is your mistake. It's not the strategy mistake, because I give you the mistakes and I give you corrections. But in order to stop doing mistakes, you need time. 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. It depends on you. I don't know how long it will make you succeed. It just you succeed. Okay, so you need to work. It's not something that you learn by heart. No, it is a practice. You should see stocks. You should buy. You should sell. And if you do mistakes, you should always correct your mistakes until you become professional trader. Question: is it possible in theory to buy 10% of a Facebook on the stock market? How much of the company is valuable around? No. This to buy a big chunk of company, you should ask the company itself, or you should ask other mutual funds, and they will sell you. There are some people, maybe they will sell big chunk of their money and they will exit. So this is something which is big. You should see the broker itself, and he will. This is a big transactions. And the stock doesn't change. It means in the stock market doesn't change, but it is done privately. It is done privately. They change just the title or something like that, because it's a big thing. But you can buy but I don't understand. I don't see. If the company is a small now, in private, there are small companies, 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, 10 million. Some people they own a lot in a small company. But if it goes to IPO and you sell for really high, you become millionaire in a few days. This is what the guy who is very famous, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, this is what he did. He tries to find companies, small companies, and when they become public, they will have a lot of money and they will sell. Okay, they do things that he will never show to the people. He will show them just flipping houses and the other stuff when there is danger, but he will never tell them the truth, money that he got from these transactions. So there are things that are hidden. No one will talk about it, and no one will explain anything about it. So it's hidden. For those who have the money, they will see it because they have money. As people, they ask them to come because they have money. For example, if you have a lot of money and you want someone to trade for you, you should go to a hedge fund, and you can give him your money with certain risk, and he begin to trade with your money. Yes, there is a possibility of losing money, but at least you will have a word because you have money. That's why rich and poor is two different words. So when you have money, it is not the same as when you don't have money. This is real, and you will see it in business also. Yes. The big thing is mutual funds are buying, but people are buying also. Understand that even small people. What is it? Apple was $85 or $90 just 6 months or 1 year ago, but right now it's 160, 155 or 50. So it means always there is something big to buy, because these stocks are big. They don't be moved easily. There should be someone who buys a lot in order that the stock, like Facebook, Apple, or any other stock, to move. Okay, so understand that always. But don't see because you see the price change, you see that there is behind, so you will buy now and in the future you will make money. No one knows, because you don't know when they are buying. When they are buying, you are sleeping. Okay, when they are buying, you are sleeping. You don't see this because you don't see the trend. But when you see the trend, oh, you wake up and you say, oh, now it is 150 or 160, but it is late from 140. Yes, Happy Ventures, Rich Dad, and Poor Dad that he spoke about although. Oh, what did he do? He does a lot of things that he didn't speak in his books or in his seminars. He buys, because he has money, he buys small companies before they go to be an IPO. And they try to make this company, he buys a high percentage of this company. And he wants to make it as an IPO in order to enter to the stock market. Now, when it enters, it must in the stock market and it gets listed, the stock will be higher than the old price. Let's say a small stock was $1 outside. Let's say now it's $20 in the stock market. So he will have from $1 to $20. He will have 2,000% of his money done. You understand how? This is how all the people make their money. When they, especially if you remember Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett bought a lot of companies like this when they are very, very small, and the market has gone up, so he becomes billionaire. But he bought a lot. He bought a lot. He doesn't buy 100 shares. Understand that. Yes, but McDonald, I think, I don't know. McDonald is not in the 90s. I think it's before. No, Warren Buffett, he bought in the 50s and the 60s the small companies. Okay, he buys the small companies in the 50s and 60s, and it doesn't mean that he buys that you will make money. It doesn't mean. Even when he buys, he has made money because the stock was going up when he buys, but he will tell nothing until when he has bought all the shares, and then they declare, because they don't declare before, because the people, they know about it and they will make money from him. So according to the rules, these transactions are hidden from the people. They are hidden. No one knows. But when he bought, you will see it in each company that Warren Buffett or someone else owns 5%, 10% to 20% of a company. But it is too late. He has already bought, and the stock was $1. Now it is $100. So it's too late. So yes, AP Ventures, you can buy a stock. It means a company before, but if they are successful, they will not let you in. Understand? If a company is successful and they begin to make a real money, they will not let strangers come to them, because it's a big cake. They don't want to give you a piece of cake because they are successful. If you, for example, you have I will right now. No, Coca-Cola, he bought it in the old before it goes to it's a very old age when he bought it. It's not now. It's not now he bought. He bought it a long time ago. You can go check in history when he bought it. and at what price, and how much money he bought at that time, how many shares, because it gives dividend, and it is for 50 or 60 years. This stock is giving dividend, and it's going up good. Okay, so okay. So let's give you an example about where this is a real example. Okay, if you don't know nothing about buying cars or selling cars, or you have no experience, and you have some money and you want to begin starting this business, but you don't know nothing, you ask your friends who will go and join your company. Do you think that you go and you give him, let's say he has $50,000, and you have $50,000 as saving, you give it to him like this, and you say try? No, you would never do that. Why? It's just because you see that he is in a big risk. Maybe he take your $50,000. He doesn't know even how to prepare the store, how to sell cars, how to buy cars, and he will lose all this money, his money and your money. Okay, I will give you another example. Let's say another friend, he has a successful car dealer, and he told you that he is making a lot of money. Now, if you ask him, can you join him? He will not accept. Now, why he will not accept? Because he's already successful. He doesn't need anyone. So you understand? But sometimes companies, private companies, small companies, they need money as I say, it's not a loan. It is to be partner. It means you don't think about getting profits until the company becomes good. At that time, yes, they accept people, but people with money. If you have $1,000 or $5,000 or $10,000, you can't speak to other people with the millions of dollars business. You can't. So forget about it until you have money. Ahmed, Zahaf, Nasdaq, Nasdaq and NYCA, they are just exchange where the stocks get listed, and there are rules. They give you the price, they give you all the things that happen to the stock is there. That's it. It is just information. It's like an information website. Okay, if the stock is bought a lot, it goes up. If people sell a lot, it goes according to certain kind of calculations they do of software. Everything is done by machines. All is calculations because it's all numbers. Okay, so it is just exchanges. There are in America here we have 3 major exchanges: the New York Exchange, Nasdaq, and the American Exchange. These are the 3 major. There are small exchanges, yes. No, you trade the stock where it belongs to. For example, let's say Facebook in Nasdaq. Let's say Twitter is in NYSE. Okay, it is just where it gets listed, but you buy it from there. So the broker will bring the stocks from there. So you don't worry about this because it doesn't matter. The thing that it matters is you own something. You own shares. It is yours. When you if the stock goes up, you will make money. If it goes down, you lose money. Oh, yeah, you are speaking about man, I told you he has money. He can be partners. There are some companies that they need partners. They don't need a loan from you to give interest rate or something. They don't give to the poor. I'm telling you another thing. When you are thinking, if you don't have money, all the people will not accept what you ask or what you propose, or because you don't have money. But someone who has money find opportunities in the market to buy things cheaper, to do a lot of things. You will see opportunities, you will see companies. They can contact you when they say, or even your bank can contact you when they see that you can help them with your money, because what they need is money. Now if you have $10,000, this is not money, so you can't see opportunities like this. You see opportunities when you have millions of dollars. And this is what small companies need. Sometimes companies, they need money to run their business, but they don't have money, so they don't make money. So these companies needs partners. That's why some mutual funds, some big banks, they buy part of these companies when they are young. They just buy and they wait. So it can't take long. So I don't go with this implied volatility in options, and so I don't see it. But the only thing, even the thing that you should see is in the stock is, does it move fast or slow? This is the most important thing that maybe you need to see. Implied or not implied, these are just things that not related to stocks. So you say Amazon bought Whole Foods. I see. I don't see the news that much, but I have no idea about this. I don't follow who buys who. It's like a big fish eats small fish. So you know these opportunities in the market. Those who have the money, they can buy whatever they want. They buy successful companies. Not someone who has money goes to a bankrupt company and he wants to put all his money there, and then he will become a loser. Like them, they lose. So they choose things that work first, that can make money, and then they grow it bigger and bigger and bigger. This is what the people do. If you are looking for companies that have problems, financial problems, you can find thousands, and if you have money, you can give it to them. But they need a lot of money, and maybe they don't succeed. Now I didn't see this transaction. And let's see. I don't see this thing about what you say about Whole Food. I see a video like in Yahoo but I didn't see. Yeah, I see the stock was 33.06, and on Friday it was 42. Is this the news? Grocery stores. Let's see grocery stores what they do. At least I will give you an idea if it is all or not. So grocery stores. Let's go to grocery stocks. It's in retail. The chart is very good to search very quick. So retail, it's called grocery stores. Yes, grocery stores are going down so fast. They have a problem. Oh, they are. There is a big sell-off in this grocery. Uh, yes, there is uh, a big sell-off, I guess. So you should see. Okay, so you should see these days what will happen to this Whole Foods, because it's the only stock that goes a gap up. It means because maybe because of this news or something. But now when you say how did that happen? It's just people they hear good news, they buy the stock, and in the morning we have a gap up. So why you say how did it happen? When we have news, bad news or good news, something will happen. So it is the market. If you understand how the market works, you will not be astonished. For you, why you are astonished or you are surprised? Gap ups, it's always in the market. Gap down, it's always in the market. So it depends on where you are. No, it is not. Incredible product. Don't think that the people they know insider trading. Insider trading is banned by the FINRA, by the government. It is banned. If they catch someone knows inside information, he will be judged and put in prison. So don't think it is insider. It is, they see the price going up after the market close or something like that. Okay, it's just news. Like when you see gap up, go to gap up daily. You will find a lot of stocks having gap up. You will find a lot of stocks going down, having gap down. So all this is because of the excitement of the traders. A trader, he saw the news and he just go and buy. He doesn't care. He likes what we call he likes big risk. You can't do that. You follow the news in earnings dates. It's written in the calendar. You go to the calendar and you find stocks that gap up a lot, and you always buy. Sometimes you have gap up, sometimes you have gap down. It's surprises. Okay, you do the same. No, there is the chart. The chart shows the gap up. It was I just see it. The chart was the Whole Food. The stock on Thursday the stock was 33.06, and on Monday it was 42.68. I see it here on the chart. How you say there is no? You say there is no in the chart. It is in the chart. App Ventures, go to the chart and see it. What's the problem? Okay, how are you, Randy? How are you, Randy? I know you come. You are in the middle of something, so we are. This live, it's about how to be a professional trader. We are doing swing trading here. You can check all the live streams that we have done. This is number 10. And if you are interested, when you are interested, you can go and get my training level for free, training level 1. And this is my email. If you need any question when you finish the session, or you need questions, here is my email and my website. You can go and you can get training level 1 for free. At least you understand swing trading and how we trade. There is no activity that shows it is going up. No! It has gone up before the market opens. Up Ventures, it doesn't go during the day, because during the day there is no news. The news comes either after the market close or before the market close. Okay? Yes, yes, it has been going up, but you don't see the chart at night or in the morning. You should see after hours night from your broker if you want to see. Now for me, I don't do day trading because shorting is more good in day trading. If you find opportunities in day trading, yes, why not? If you like it and if you understand the risk, you should go and check training level 11, how to short a stock. At least you will understand, because it is so different from you can lose a lot if you do swing trading with this shorting grocery or technology stocks or anyone. So my suggestion always, if you want to short stock, you should do it in daily, only in the day. You short if things doesn't go bad, or you just exit. You don't stay. Don't hold the stock for tonight, because if there is good news or something else, you will lose unlimited loss. Unlimited loss. It is not like when you buy long and it goes down. This is limited loss. Yes, yes, you should see your broker. You will see it. After hours, it begins from 4 a.m. to 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. You will find it, and after 4 o'clock, from 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock, there is a chart. You should see it. It's called after hours chart. If you don't know it, you should ask your broker how to get it. Yes, but see, if you have an idea and if you see stocks that go down and you want to short them, you should know how to short first. You should go to, for example, training level 11, how to short a stock, and you should study how to short it. What's the risk? What's the other things? And then you can begin practicing with little money. And then if you are good, you can become day trader. But for me, I don't short stock in swing trading. Yes, but it's not every after hours you should see activity. Sometimes there is no activity. You find a line. Sometimes the people, there is no traders at all. But I'm telling you, the day, it means Thursday after night, or the morning of Monday, the morning of Friday, there is a gap. There is the gap up. It means there is a trading at that time, and the stock was going up until it opens, because brokers don't show after hours, and even the charts they don't show. They show you only the day trading. Okay, so no one is interested in that, because there is a lot of volatility in that time. Thank you very much, Investor Land. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, Wise Man, you are here? I don't see you writing anything until now. I see you are here. So how are you, all of you guys? So we continue our session about how to be professional trader. I say professional trader is the last stage that you are in. What you need at that time, you need money. Money, and a lot of money. Okay? A lot of money. Because you know how to trade. What is missing for you is just money. Because if you each day you open your stock screen and you search, you find stocks that are going up. And after a week or two, you see them all going up, or most of them. And they are good stocks, but you don't have money. Whatever money you have is a small money. The more you have, the better you are. Because at that time, you will see bigger opportunities, you will see bigger stocks, you can buy any stocks, you don't get scared of anything, you just trade. Okay? So that is the end stage. Now, and at the beginning, what you should do? First, you should be serious to be trading in the future. Because some people, they come to trading as big gamblers. They always gamble a lottery, and they come to stock market and they try to do the same. It doesn't work. It's not a gambling, real gambling thing, because when you gamble, you risk all your money each time. And in trading, we are not risking our money each time. We risk little of our money, yes, but we don't risk all our money. Okay? This is a big difference. Second, you should have strategy to begin with. You should follow the strategies, how to search for stocks, how to select the best ones. If you have money, you buy all what you see you like. It means you have 2 or 3 or stocks or whatever, and you buy them. And you rely on the chart selection, stock selection, on the criteria are met, and then you put stop loss, and you buy at the end of the day, like 3 o'clock, 3:30, 3:45. You should buy at that time. Don't buy in the morning. Then you do stop loss, and then tomorrow you will see if the stock goes up, it means you are right, you stay. If it's going down, it hits your stop loss, you out. In order to understand how to make money from stocks, you should go to training level 5. Training level 5, how to make money from stocks. Here is the website and the email. Training level 5, it gives you the concept of making money. Making money, it is not winners versus losers. If you make more winners, you make money. No, it's not true in the market. There is another concept that I have developed, and it works. And this is what all the people, all the professional people do. And this is what it works in the market. Okay? You can make a lot of winners, few losers, but still you are losing money and you are not making money from the market. Now the secret, you will find it in this training level 5. Now investor land, I don't use indicators. RSI is just a strategy by itself. It depends on something, and they don't show you what is this thing they depend on. They just give you a line or something and say, okay, buy. No, I will not buy without understanding. My strategies are very simple, and I will show you why we buy, and I will give you the criteria where to buy, what are the best charts or stocks to buy. Okay? This is something real, and you can see on the chart, and you can search for it. Yes, thank you very much, Kanukistanian warrior. You should save more money, because the thing is, you are doing a big investment in the future. A big investment cannot be made in 1 month or 2. You need the whole life. You need working. You need to save more money for your account. It's like when you are buying a house. It's like you are having a 401k. It's example when you have a saving account or emergency fund, or you are having stocks for the long run, for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. You are building wealth. When you are building wealth, you should need to add money to your account each paycheck, or each month, or each 2 months, or each year. You should each time you should put money. Okay? So it's not only one thing, like a gambling. You put 1,000 in your trading account, and you say, that's it. I don't have more, and I don't want to put more. Okay, how can you build $100,000 or 200,000 in 10 years or 20 years or 30 years? How? You can't. Okay, don't think about other people online. You know, with 1,000 you make $1 billion or $1 million. You know, it's not true in the real life. It's not true for everybody. So you should need capital, and the capital, it's not you should need a lot. You should just save more and more and more and more. This is something that you can do. Add more money to your account, even if you don't trade. Because the broker account is like a saving or a bank account. It means no one touch your money. So if you don't want to trade, you don't want to trade. Okay, you just put your money there. Yes, as he says, create other businesses. Yes, you should open your mind, and you should do whatever in order to succeed. The stock market is only one thing. Okay, it's only one thing. It's not everything. So the people, they make money from any kind of business. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, it means because when you are putting money into your account, you don't see today, 1 month or 2. See years. You are putting years money, and you are trading. Until that time, when you become good at trading, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, or 5 years, you will have money in your account, and you will be able to trade. Because right now, let's say you know how to trade very well, but you don't have money. What can you do? Small money, you can't push it that much to make a lot of money. But the idea of raising money, of saving more money, will go and become a benefit in the future. Like those people who put investment plan like 401k. They work 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, and when they are 60, they will find 200,000 or 300,000 or half a million. If you are putting more, you will find that money. Okay, that money doesn't come in 1 day or in 1 year. It comes in decades. Okay, this is the thing about raising capital. Hi Arshad, wa alaikum salam. How are you, Gadir? So as I told you, raising money is one big part that most of the people, either they don't understand, or they don't think it's a way, but it is one of the ways to make your account bigger and bigger. Now, what is the need of this money is just because when you want to buy stocks, you will have a lot of money. Instead, see, I will give you an example. Let's say you have $1,000. You buy a stock at $10. You have 100 shares. You buy only 100 shares because you don't have money. You have only 1,000. If this $10 goes to $15, how much money you make? Let's say in 2 weeks, you bought it at $10. You put $1,000. Okay. So how much money you get? If the stock goes from $10 to $15, you will make $500. But if someone buys 500 shares, what a person buys 1,000 shares? Is it different? Yes, it is different. Whenever you have bigger money, okay, you will make more money. The person who has $5,000, he will make $2,500. The person who has $10,000, he will make $5,000 in this trade. So you see this now, how money is so important in trading. If you don't have money and you always buy 100 shares, $500, $1,000, you are not going nowhere. It means even if you make money, you are not going nowhere. That's why I'm always trying to make it easier for you to understand what I'm saying. Bigger money, bigger account is better for everything. Hello, no double standards. What the hell qualifies you to say you can train people to be a professional trader? No double standard. Oh, what? This is a funny double standard. So Go and watch my videos, and if you know better, you tell me. Maybe you teach me. Man, when I see you, no double standard. Go to my channel. There are 1500 videos. Go to each video, watch it. If you have other information or you have better trading like techniques or so, okay, come teach me. If you don't know, so if you want to learn, you are welcome here. If you are searching for something else, you can find it online. You can go YouTube and you find what you are looking for. That's very funny, this guy with no double standard. Yes, there is no double standard here, only one standard. So, not once does he say that no doubles. Yeah, yes, no, this guy is like, I think he's new to us. He just come to us like this, and he wants to, how to be a professional trader, learn to trade, learn to read, loser. Hey, no double standard, excuse me. Here we are doing some thing. I'm teaching my students, okay? So if you are not interested and you maybe you know better, or you think that you are having other information, you can go elsewhere and you can find what you are looking for. I just give you 1 time or 2 time, and then if you are not listening, if you are not coming to learn, if you have questions, you should ask. You ask me a question, I try to answer you. I say, go to my 1500 videos, try to watch them, see. If you know trading, you will know that I am trader, yes or no. If you know, you will know, okay? If you don't trade, you don't know nothing, so you are just wasting your time here, just wasting your time, and you want to just to say something like this. So so you have to decide either to listen, to ask questions for the subject that I am saying. If you are not interested, you can go elsewhere and you can have fun watching a movie or something. Okay. Oh, Sufyan Basri, I think I have seen you last time. From loser, you can be a professional. Yes. Loser, what does it mean? It means most of the people, when they begin trading at first, they do mistakes. That's why they were losers. But later, when they learn how to trade, they make money and they become professional. No one got this just like this, and then he become making money from the stock. He slept, he reads a book, or he watch a movie, or he watch a video, and then he become something like that. Pay no attention to him. No. See, Martin Miner, I'm trying to be polite with people. Some people, they don't know me, and they come to. But instead of asking questions or try to understand what's going on, or how, or they ask questions that let them understand something, they become the opposite way. They become negative, and they come saying, who are you? Okay, if you don't know me, just go and watch my videos and you will know me. If you don't know me, that's the thing I can tell you. Okay, so so to become professional trader, you need strategy, you need some money, you need practice, and you correct your mistakes. If you are doing the same mistakes, okay, you will never be a professional trader, because you are doing the same mistakes and you are losing each year, okay? And this is what happened to most of the beginners. They just trade with the hit and miss strategy, and then they lose money because they are doing mistakes, and they don't know that they are doing mistakes, and they continue until they finish and they wipe out their account. Okay, a lot of people who they wipe out their account, they have no money at all, and they come to learn and to get a higher percentage profit. Okay, and this is something bad. So whenever you begin, you should find a training, okay, and train yourself before you lose all your money, especially for those people who just trade and trade. Friend, what is that? No, investor land, false breakout happens in the market. It's not because there is no money, or there is no. It's just there is no buyer. Okay, there is no buyer. If there is no buyer, there would be other sellers, and the stock stops going up and then it goes down. Thank you, Indrid. Thank you for your message. Thank you very much. You know, I'm trying just to try to explain things to other people. Now, some people, you know, they come from online. I don't know where they come, and they don't understand anything. They just go into the discussion without knowing what we are doing for 2 hours right now. Okay, Arshad, thank you very much. Thank you. So, Sufyan Basri, you give me $1 million. That, yeah, yes, this is what you want. You want to gamble. You want to go to the lottery, and you put $2, and then you can get 1 million or 50 million or 100. Okay, man, continue with that gambling mind, and you will be okay. So. Yes, you know, experience, it depends on the person itself. Some they acquire skills very quick. Some they acquire skills very quick, and they become professional trader very quick, 1 year or 2. But there are others who stay the whole life, but they don't understand. Even if you stay 30 years or 50 years and you are losing money, you continue losing money. Why? Because you don't know how to trade. But there are some people who are stubborn. It means they are losing money and they think they know a lot about trading. When you try to explain to them things, they think they know better than anyone else. But they don't make money. In the market, it is, are you making money, yes or no? For many years, not just for one trade, like the other guy. Who bought a penny stock for today, like $1, $1,000. The next day he got $2,000. The stock goes to $2, and then he told me, I want to train in your strategy, but how much it can give me? It means as if I am the market and I give money. I want how much money should I get to get $1 million? How many days or month? I say to him, I'm not selling dreams here. Okay. If you do a good trade, next day you do bad trade and all your money is gone. Karim, what do you think about buying the lowest point of the day to make a profit? And investor land, how do you know the lowest point of the day? Yes, this is a way to do trading. Okay, you can go to training level 11, and you study training level 12, which is how to day trade, and you will find techniques that I put. If you are interested, investor land, you can go and check that. It will help you understand the open versus the close, the support line, the resistance line. It will have a big thing for you. Here is the website, and here is the email. Okay. Can you describe the actual day when day trading compared to swing? How many trades per day for both? Martin Miner, no. Swing trading, we are not doing trades each day. No, we buy at the end of the day the stock. If you buy mini stocks, it's okay, but you should hold for the night. This is called swing trading. You can sell next day or a few days or a few weeks or a few months. This is swing trading. This is what I do. Day trading is you do whatever trade you want. One trade, two trades, three trades, but it will be overwhelming. You can't focus on many trades in many time and you do many trades. Some professionals do, but you as a beginner, it's very hard. Okay, it's very hard. Can you teach students many things because he was a beginner once himself and made a few mistakes? He's a professional trader because he will stop making the same thing. Yes, it's the true thing is to know what you are doing. Most of the beginners, if you ask a question, why you buy this stock, try to see what's the answer. If you don't know why you buy a stock, how can you trade? You can't. Okay? Now, for us, for example, we buy the stock because we have a signal. We know why we buy at that price. We know why we buy that chart on the stock. We have a concept about everything that happens in the trade and in the market. We have a concept of probabilities to know which is better to buy or to sell. Okay? And all these, it comes with a strategy, with a practice. Okay? It takes time. You said I am losing money. No, how can you, if it is the lower point, how can you lose money if the stock goes up? So please, these ideas, these are techniques that you should learn. Investorland, I told you, go to training level 12. Okay? Here is the thing. It's called How to Day Trade Using the Chart and Candlesticks. So in this training, I will explain techniques that you should use and how to know if the day is good or bad. Okay? So this is day trading. But what we are doing in general here in my channel, I'm doing swing trading, which is better because I don't want to stay with the trade many hours looking at the screen. You understand? Swing trading, you just buy at the end of the day. When you search for stocks, you find the best stocks according to our criteria, you put stop loss, and then before the market close, and that's it. What you should do tomorrow, if the stock goes up, it means you are right and you begin making money from the first day. And it is so simple. You don't have to be stressed. You don't have to follow the stocks each minute. And this is why I changed from day trading to swing trading, because it is easier. Sometimes I don't open my broker in a day because at the end of the day my stocks are going up all. That's it. Why should I open my account? For what? Nothing to do. So this is for Investorland. This is my website and my email. Go to my website, check training level 12 in videos or in ebooks. There is a discount, 65% discount in videos and 80% in ebooks. You can just try and see these techniques and try. They will help you a lot in your day trading. Which do you suggest, E-Trade or AmiTrade? I am with E-Trade because E-Trade bought Option House. If you want a link, I will send you links to apply, and they will give you 100 free commissions if you fund $5,000. Just send me in your email. Here is in my email at the end of the screen. Send me an email. I will send you the link. Most of the big broker, they are good, and you will know. Okay, you will know when you put to buy something or to exit something. You will see how many seconds it takes. It doesn't take that much. When you put the thing, it's gone because it's automatic. This thing is automatic. Be careful of the very small brokers who they play a lot and it will take time. For example, you want to buy by the ask, and you see that and the stock is volatile, But when you want to buy, it takes seconds, and you don't see your your stock bought. It means there is something wrong. Before, in the past, I have gone to one broker like this, and then I stopped. I take my money from it because I see execution is too bad, too bad. So you trade everything at the same time, sometimes no trade at all during the day. For example, if you are not day trading, what are you from open to close? This is a super big beginning question. Now, what do you mean by your question, Martin Meyer? You say, if you are not, I'm not day trading, I'm doing swing trading. It means what do you do in the day? Nothing. My money is all in the market, and almost all my stocks are good. So what should I do? Nothing. I shouldn't go to my chart and each hour look at the market. I don't care. Why should I look? If the stock goes to my stop loss, I'm out. If the stock is going up, I'm making money. So why should I worry about the stock market during the day? I don't. Yes, your question is. I think I have answered your question. If you have more questions, Martin Miner, you should ask, because this is what I understood. Okay? From the open to the close, I do nothing. I don't watch the chart. I come at the end of the day, like 3:30, and I check how my stocks are doing. If I have a loser, I will replace it. I will search for other stock, I replace it. If the stocks are going up, that's it. I should do nothing. Sometimes I change the stop loss, yes, but not always. Thank you very much, Investorland. Thank you very much for your compliment and for your message. Thank you very much. Oh, okay. Benny Boom, how are you, Benny Boom? You say, why are you buying stocks at the end of the day? Because we wait for the signal. We wait for the signal. I have criteria. It means if my criteria is met, it means that the stock is good to buy. Okay? So this criteria, I should use I should use the stock screener to find stocks, and then I put them in the chart and see if the stocks are meeting my criteria. If I find 1 or 2 or 3 stocks and I have money to buy them, I buy them. At the end of the day, it means at 3:30 or 3:45, and then I put stop loss to them, all of them, and then I close my account. And then tomorrow at the end of the day, like 3 or 3:30, I will look. If the stock are going up, I do nothing. It's okay. I just see the chart. Yes, hope I am clear. What are you doing from open to close, Martin Miner? Nothing. I do nothing. In the market, I do nothing. All my money is in the market and it's doing good. So what should I do? Nothing. Now, if something happened or some stocks go higher and higher, I should change the stop loss. And this is in training level 7, how to follow stocks. Okay? Now, I have techniques to follow my stop loss, up and up and up. So I don't use trailing stops to do. I should see the chart and I should see where I change my stop loss. If some stock is a loser and I exit the trade, what should I do? I replace it. I search and I replace it. That's what I do. And Benny Boom, if you want to try my strategies, I give training level 1 for free. Please go to my website. Go to my website. You find the training level 1 for free. Click it and go to my training and study them. If you like the training, you can go ahead and go to number 2, 3, 4, and you can see the basics of my strategy and how I trade. Thank you, Endrit Unzu. Yes, send me an email and they will send you a link to my broker. No, the signal is not a pattern, because patterns that are change. For me, this pattern, this thing doesn't change. It's only one thing. It's 2 criteria. If they are met, I put the list into a chart, and then I look for the best chart according to some criteria, because not all the stocks that have the same criteria are good to buy. So I should select which is the best. Okay, according to criteria that I put in training level 4. You can do subscription and you can get training level 1, 2, 3, 4 for free, and you can check those criteria. Thank you, Benny Boom. Thank you very much. It's just a way to explain things. What do you do when there is a huge market drop? If my stop loss are hit, I exit the trade and I find other stocks, because most of the time the market will not go all down. There are some stocks that still go up, so I will be searching for other stocks or other sectors that haven't been touched. Okay, so the stocks, they are not like the whole market. So I am not trading the whole market. I am trading stocks, and stocks each day. There are stocks that go up, stocks that go down. So you should choose the best one. Now the subscription, it was 55. I put it down to 35. 35. There are per month. There are like a training level, the 4 training. The 4 first training are for free. They are there. Okay. And you will find a subscription. It means we are in 76 search. What does it mean? It means each Friday I do a search, and I will show you how to do the search, how to find the stocks, and what is the best stocks to buy. This is a training. It means it is a practice. There are more than I think 270 I think videos, explanation, and each Friday I will put more. Each Friday I will put another search. It means it is a new thing always. So this is about the subscription. You can go and to the website. Here is the link. You can go to the website, you click subscription, and you just subscribe, and you will find all the stocks. Yes, it will show you the way how to search, how to see the best stocks. Okay, it means you will begin to know by yourself the strategy. It means in the future you will not need someone else to show you, because you know you do what I do. Okay, what you need to do is first is to understand. You will have 4 training for free. You study them, and then you begin to do your own, and you watch my videos, and you do the same. That's it. It's just practice. You do the same as always. Can you do this and never lose money? No, there are some stocks that they don't go good. That's why we put stop loss. Now we are using probabilities to make money from the market. Okay, there is no guarantee of anything. If there is a guarantee, the market doesn't give a guarantee to anyone. So the strategy is based on price, is based on probabilities. These probabilities, if you want to understand the concept, go to training level 5. How to trade, how to make money from stocks. Okay, go to training level 5, and you will find either by ebook or by videos. Yeah, yes. Driving, yes. Karim, I did your strategy the other day and I was making money, but when the market comes a big gap down, which got me nervous because it seems I lost much. Yes, it's just because investor land, because you you don't understand all my strategy because you just begin to study and you stop at some level. You should see all the other training levels that you see, at least from 1 to 10. These are the basics. There are things that you should see, for example, training level 8, how to minimize risk and how to maximize profits. This will show you what to do with these gap downs. There are techniques to make it less risk. So if you don't know these techniques, you will lose a lot when you put all your money in one stock. This is what you have done, I think. If you have $5,000 and you put it in one stock and then you get hit with a gap down, it means that it is your mistake. In my strategy, you should never put all your money in one stock. Okay, that's the thing. And as the warrior Canugre says, like a driving school for traders. Yes, because you should rely on yourself and you will be by your own self in the car. So for me is I will show you the way how to trade, how to drive the car. I will show you not to play games. You should when you see a red light you should stop. This is what I teach you. I teach you everything that it is good in order to survive the traffic when you are alone. Okay, if you go crazy with 200 miles, okay, you will have to have an accident. This is for sure. Either you or someone else. So, and you will be killing people in the street. That's why you should understand the rules. That's why trading stocks is showing you the rules, showing you what to do. Okay, always explaining you the safest way. You say, I hope you are still training people by the time I say, okay, I will leave my training even if I die, like in the future. I will leave my training and someone else take the thing and he will give you the training. So there is no problem with that. So just make sure, just make sure when you want to trade, you can begin right now. You don't need to raise a lot of money. At least you begin to understand the strategy and practice on paper, even if you don't have money. Just get your education and begin to work. And then when you save in 1 year or 2 or 3, you save money, you understand at that time, you know how to trade because you have practiced it. Because you forgot the practice. Practice takes time. Okay, it takes time, so you should begin from now. The ebooks are just 80% discount. The videos are 65%, so you should just buy. Each month you can buy one training and you just study it. Oh, Martin Miner, how old are you? Are you 18 years? Are you 18 years or so? You say you say you save money, you will be here. So how old are you, Martin? Yes, practice accounts or even the chart, even my chart, you can use it as a practice account and you can do it. Okay. Excuse me, guys. I will go and bring another cup of coffee. Please try to grab some soda, some water, or some coffee like me, and I will be back in 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Just be waiting. Thank you. Hello guys again. Sorry, I was Martin Miner. You are 33 years, and I just bought a house, so back to saving again. Yes, yeah, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. The house, buying a house is an important thing. If you have bought it completely, it's good. If you have a mortgage, it's good. At least you own something in the future after 10 years or 20 years or 30 years. But understand that that in this life, I'm just Martin Miner. I'm just giving you something. People, when they get to die, they will never know. At 30, at 20, at 15, at 60, at 100, so no one knows. Don't think that because you are 33, you are younger, that you are staying until 70 or 80 or 100. No one knows. So, so anything that you want to do it now. Plan for it, yes, as if you are living long, but no one knows. So the best thing in life is to do whatever you want now. If you can't now, you plan for it. You save money, you plan for it. As you buy a house, you will never know. Maybe you are having a job, you buy a house, and then you get fired. You can't pay the house for 3 months, and you get kicked out. So you lose the house, and you lose all the money that you put, like a down payment or something. So try not just to make things a guarantee. There is nothing guaranteed in life. Okay? Even if in the morning you are going to work, you have an accident. So there is nothing guaranteed that you think about. Either you are 33 or 50 or 100, there is no guarantee at all. I use Option House also, but recently opened at Tastyworks account, and their platform is so simple and fast to use, plus low fees. Everyone else try them. Yeah, yes, Benny Boom. I use Option House from since 2010. 2010. It means like 7 or 8 years. Now it is bought by E-Trade, but it's okay. It's the same thing. It's even the platform they say change, but I don't see anything changed. It's the same thing. Yeah, yes, Benny Boom. That's why I use it for a long time. It's one of the best, and they don't they don't charge you streaming data for bid and ask. If you don't trade for 1 year, they don't ask you to trade. They have no fees on you, so it is one of the best platform that I have ever seen. It's very good. You know, making money is a continuous thing. Sometimes you lose a little money because of the stop loss, because these are losers. It's better to use little money than to have big losses. If you do big losses, it means your trading is at risk. Thank you, Mersh Para. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. But you come late. Mersh Para, you should come earlier. We are at 2 hours 34 minutes. Buy stock. There is blood in the streets. Take well down. Yes. So, some stocks. You know, it happens. This I explained before, which is called industry rotation. Now, mutual fund, they sell some industries, some sectors, and they buy others. This is the change. Always there is this change. It's not from now. It's every time. Yes, I have in my portfolio 1 or 2 stocks. I get rid of them with a stop loss, so I am out. So I bought other industries and other sectors. I don't want to mess with this technology right now because they are in trouble. Okay. Yes, but see, we are not investors. It means we are not investing for many years. That's why Mersh, it doesn't matter. Tech is down, you will find technology stocks are down, you will find other stocks that are up. So don't worry about this. It's just the market. Buy misery, sell ophobia. No, man, I would not buy misery. Buy the things that are successful and it's going up. If you buy misery, you will stay poor. I don't buy misery. Even the companies, when they have trouble, financial troubles, no one will buy them. No one will come to them. If right now any company, they say in the news it has financial problems, all the people, all the investors will flee, and even mutual funds will be selling their shares and leaving this company because it makes no money for the company. So the shareholders will be losing money in the future. That's why buy good things, don't buy misery. Okay, that's why all the people, they like things that move up. So for us, we like stocks that trend up. They don't trend up the whole year or the whole decade. There are just sometimes they trend up, sometimes they stop. So for us, we should need to find these trends in the market and we buy them. And as Benny Boom, he said, buy stock when there is blood in the streets. No, man, I would not buy stocks when there is blood in the streets, because these stocks are left by mutual funds. If a mutual fund is selling, how can you buy after him? You will never buy. Let it until it stops in 6 months or 1 year, 2 years, until this industry stops going down and then it goes up. Then you can buy for the long run. But these are techniques that you should learn. It's not easy. You can check training level 13, how to buy from support line, to find this kind of stocks, but it is hard. You read that in the book? Okay, maybe this person who write those book or this book, he died because of misery. Because after he buys misery, he becomes poor and he dies poor. So I don't need those kind of books. Also retail, I got out through by the skin of my nose. Yes. I just the retail grocery, just someone shows me grocery and I go to grocery stocks. I find them all going down except for Whole Foods, which has a gap up, which is very good for those who bought it. Okay, how to recognize pump and dump scams on penny stocks is when you find a very large, very long candlestick and the volume is so high, and before the candlesticks are small and the volume is small. I give you an example. A stock today is $1. The volume is, let's say, 10,000 shares traded a day. 10,000 K. It means 10,000. Next day, you will find that this stock is $5 and it is 5 million shares traded a day. It means it is pumped. It is pumped. It means someone has asked other people to buy it on that day. Okay, and some people buy before, and it's a lot of scams in this kind of stocks. Now for me, I don't buy this kind of stocks. I buy penny stocks that are not pump and dump scheme. This I show in training level 10. Training level 10, how to trade penny stocks. This what I choose. It means stocks that are moving slow, and they are not the same as pump and dump schemes. Investorland, orthodox way they say is buy low, sell high, but it seems, Karim, that your strategy is buy higher and sell higher. Very orthodox. Yes, but see, you are, even when it is higher, you are buying low. Because how the stock, I'm giving you just an example. How Google goes from 100 to 1100 before. How? If there is a new high, it means there is a new opportunities that other people are buying. That's why the stock is going up and up and up. If you see Google, for example, it was 1100 like 1 year or 2 years ago. It got a split. One shares, it becomes two, like 550. But 550, now it is 900 something. It nearly 1000. Okay? It means you buy it at the bottom, but it goes up. But there are some stocks that you buy at the bottom, they go more and more at the bottom, so you lose money. So you should have an idea about how to trade. Yes, you know, stop loss orders. You should just know your risk tolerance. You should know about stocks in order to put stop loss. It's a tricky thing, so you should study this thing. Yes, yes. If you are doing trading stocks like swing trading or day trading, you must put stop loss. Now, if you don't put stop loss and you are doing penny stocks like the pump and dump scheme, there you cannot put stop loss because you are in a high risk trade. You are in a high risk, so you should accept whatever it happens in the market. Some people are like that. They put their money and they want the extreme, either up or down. They are okay with that. Even if they lose, they don't care, because they do it for a long time and this is how they trade. Oh no, Martin Miner. No, my strategy has nothing to do with fundamentals of the news. I don't. If I tell you that I don't watch news or CNBC or CNN or Bloomberg, if I tell you this, maybe you don't believe. But I don't watch TV. I don't watch TV at all. I don't because I buy the stock, it goes up. Why do I need CNN or CNBC or the other news? For what? They don't know better than what I see in the stock. The stock tells the whole story. You don't need other information. This is what I do. If you are doing investing in companies, yes, you need to know about the company. You need competition. You need if this company would become bigger and bigger and bigger. You need that information because you are investing for 10 years or 20 years. But for me, I am not. I'm staying only one day. Tomorrow, if the stock is bad, I exit. I don't care. Yes, technically, only price. And my criteria, which is the most important thing, my criteria, because it shows you where to buy, it shows you where to sell, it shows you the best stocks. That's what I use. No, stop loss. If you think that the stop loss get hit and you are wrong, you can buy the stock again. But believe me, most of the time, when the stock stop loss got hit, most of the time the stock goes down into a downtrend. Most of the time, okay, not all. But sometimes I buy. The other time, 2 weeks ago, I put stop loss. The stock goes to my stop loss, and it got hit. And then after 1 week or two, I search, I find the same stock. I say, okay, I just left this stock, this loser, last week or the other week. Why it comes to my stock? When I see it, I find it good. So I bought it again. It means try to be open-minded. Open mind when you are open to price. Okay? Don't take decisions without looking at the stock. The stock, I exit with the stop loss. But the stock comes back. Now comes back, I will buy it again. With the same criteria I have. Okay? So try to be open-minded. Try not to have conclusions or pretend something in the future. I don't pretend. I should see the stock in order to make a decision. This is how I trade. That's why I don't do trailing stops. Trailing stops, many people do. I don't do, because I should see the stock, what does it do, and then I take my decision. Yes. You are good that you lost only 1,000. People lose thousands of dollars. I have a guy, I think he has 45,000. Now he has only 5,000. He lost 40,000 in 1 year because he just trade, and he has never seen he's a broker, and he's always doing penny stocks and very, very dangerous trades. He doesn't know until he finds only 5,000, then he stopped trading. Then he asked me what to do. I say you should learn, and you should not do the foolish thing you are doing before. You should change. Oh, you are investing gold? Yes, in these years it's not a big deal, but if you have been into the peak was in April 2011. Before that, I traded precious metals like silver and gold, like 2010, 2011. 2010 when I began trading. 11 was a good year because the precious metals were doing very good. I was there at that time. KSM Timber, where do you decide? You know, a stop loss is tricky. You should study it. There are many things that you should take account. Your risk tolerance and the stock itself, how it moves. This is the most important thing you should see. So you should go to training level 6, how to calculate stop loss, and you can study this, and then you practice, and then when you have questions you should ask me again, because it is too detailed thing. It's not just you put whatever percentage and you think that you can make it. You can't. Or you can send me when you study the thing, you do a trade or 2 or 3, and you send me the trade and you tell me where you put stop loss, and I will tell you if it is good or bad. Okay, I will tell you. Yes, warrior, I don't use trailing stops because I should see the stock. What does it do? The stock itself. It's something that I should see. It's a manual thing. It's not automatic. Stop loss should not be automatic. You should not raise each the stock goes 25 cents. You raise 25 cents. This doesn't work. And you will be exiting the good trades often. Who is this Bezos Merch Para who is buying grocery business? Who is this? I don't know. Is this? No, losing money. You know, in the market there are some people who lose money. There are some people who make money. So you should see other sectors. They are making a lot of money. So it's just where you are. No, Martin Miner, you are wrong. Think about day traders. Some day traders, they do a lot of trades in the day. There is no information about the company. The company doesn't announce anything in the day, each day or each week or each month. Okay? So it is the trader who changed the price. It is not the company. Sometimes the company has no information, no news. So what do? You don't trade? So trading has nothing to do with investing. So if you are using fundamentals to do day trading, you will lose because it will never give you any clue why the stock goes up today. Try to go each day. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. Go to fundamentals. Tell me why the stock goes up and goes down. Okay, Martin Miner, you are wrong. You use fundamentals when you are investing for the long run, for a company for 10 years, 15 years. You are investing, you need to know this company, competition, earning, how it moves, how it becomes bigger and bigger. You should know all this information. Okay? But if you want to trade the stock, I will tell you where to buy the stock, where to sell it, and you can make money without knowing any company. We know only the ticker. Yes, investor land. Maybe you have a flu idea about gold and silver. Gold and silver are ETFs. It means exchange traded fund. It is just a fund that tracks silver and gold and other metals. Each metal has an ETF. Okay, but you can trade mining companies. If you go to precious metals in the chart, you will find hundreds of stocks, and you can choose stocks, mining companies or companies that are doing gold or transformation or whatever. These are stocks. You can buy them, they go up, you make money. So they are the same as, for me, I don't care what this company do. What I care is that it moves up, I will make money. That's it. So if you take your mind from these ideas of what it does or what's this company, and what, this will not get you far away with these ideas. Oh, Amazon, yes, I see. Someone told me that when I close my Yahoo for email, I find a notice that this guy who is called Bezos, Amazon, but I don't know about them. I don't care. But if you got the news on time and you bought, you could make money. But since it is after the hours, I'm not following news. Okay, all this industry are down. The groceries are down, so it is an exception. So you can't trade the exceptions. So we are trading normal things. We are not trading when there is a news and gap up. You should focus on that. If you like that, you should focus on that, and you should always follow news. But it will be tough. That's why I don't do it. Hello, MC for Peace. You come late as usual. It's 2 hours 53 minutes. You come late. Were you sleeping? Are you buying companies that are not listed yet? No. I don't do. You mean the black market, which is called the OTC? The OTC, which is the over the counter? No, I don't buy those. Because it is so risky. Because these companies, they might exist or they might exist. So you are just going on the wrong side. Why should I go to this OTC? They are not regulated. It means they don't give information to the exchange. It means when you go to these companies, you don't know what they do. Maybe you don't know how much they make. Maybe they are losing money. And they say their stock is good, so buy. When you buy $10, tomorrow you find it 1 cent. You lose all your money, and you can do nothing because it's not regulated. At least stocks that are listed are regulated. It means if you want to know some information, you can go on their website or on the exchange, and they give information to the website, the earnings and the other stuff. No, win day trading. When the news comes, if you, which was good news, you see the stock going up, and then you can buy. Okay? But there are other people that are waiting with millions of dollars just waiting for the news. So they act very quick, so the stock will be going so fast. It can go $10 in 1 minute or two. So when you come late. So you should be very powerful in getting the information, the news on time, and you should be waiting, and you should have experience in that. This is like day trading. I'm not doing day trading, and I'm not going to waste my time searching for these opportunities. Oh no, see, I will tell you the truth, Mersh Para. I was going to buy Right Aid when it was like, I don't know, 12 or 10 or whatever. But I put stop loss. When it hit my stop loss, I get out, and then it's still going down. So Right Aid, it might be sold or to another broker, to another big company or so, because the stock is going down too much, and maybe it go bankrupt or something. No, I am sorry. Who tells you that Robert Kiyosaki is buying a loser? No one buys a loser, man. This company is, I don't know, maybe there is something else. Walmart is a very old stock. It's one of the 30 stocks, big stocks in the United States. So they are big because they have billions of shares outstanding. It's a very big company. Yes, but see, the news, it doesn't come every minute. So the day traders, they trade. There are millions of day traders. Those who have bought, a lot of them bought, the stock will go up, so they win. Someone they short and the other people are buying a lot, he will lose. But if all the people, most of the people are shorting the stock and you are buying, you lose. This is the game. So you should understand day trading. You should it's not always news. Okay, news doesn't come each minute. Okay, and if you are following news, you should have experience. You should many years and having a strategy about them in order to make money. That's why making money, you need a strategy, and you should practice. Whenever you find clues, you find how to do it, and you make money before, you can make money in the future, because it is a proven thing. Ahmed Zahaf, good night. Thank you very much for coming. And Ahmed Zahaf, check, as I told you, training level 1. Here is the website. You can click on it, check training level 1, and get to watch the videos. And if you have questions, just ask me a question. Walgreens merger, but FTC is holding it up. May. Now, see, for me, oh yeah, for yes, for trading, it's just a funny story. I was working, and in my company that I was working in, I have ideas about investing, about company has shares, and you buy, and then the shares become higher and higher, and you make money. But I have never interested in it. Where some people were talking about the stock, and they say you can buy it. I say where? They say here. You go to human resources and you can buy. It's not a 401k, but it is the stock itself, because they sell the stock, and you don't pay a broker fee. So I begin to buy. Okay, but for me, I have a question. The question is why the stock goes up and goes down. This is the main question. And I begin searching for information, and I begin day trading. I have meetings, seminars, a lot of stuff, but most of the people, they don't give the truth. Some, they don't know what they are doing, and some, even if they know how to trade, they will never tell you, or they will never show you. Okay, so this is my beginning of day trading. Do you trade straight line price? Yeah, yes, no, I trade the price. Okay, I have a training level 12. It is called how to day trade using the candlesticks and the chart. This is what I do. I show techniques, and I will show you from the open to the close, support line, resistance line, the trend, and I will have techniques to show you techniques how to do day trading. This is just the basics, and you can later study them and practice and make it better. Now, who will let you do paper trade for 2 months? Who? Which broker is this, Martin Miner? Now, in paper trading, you don't need your broker. You can have the chart and you buy the stock. Especially when you do swing trading, you do like me. You put stocks on the chart and you just search for the best stock and you buy it. You put a line where you buy it. You put stop loss line. That's it. Yes, Mesh Para. Yes, this is what happened in true, and you know, most of the people who I met, or most of them, they don't know. They are doing subscription like big companies. They are doing subscription, and they show you stocks, and you say because of this criteria. And one time I have a stock, I see in the chart, then I get surprised. The stock was 95 cents, and in 1 month it goes to $40. Now I asked that guy in the meetup. We have a meetup, a lot of people ask. I say, could you tell me why, with your strategy, with your criteria, with your stuff? He doesn't know. Because when he look at the chart, he look at the company, it has no fundamentals. It was a stupid company with no money, no earnings, and the stock from 95 cents, it goes to $40. It's like a pump and dump scheme, but still, the stock is $40. If you bought 1,000, you get $40,000 in 1 month. That's why I understand that there is a game. It is not what they are saying about fundamentals. Fundamentals has nothing to do with the company itself. It's about the company, not about the stock. The stock market is a game. It has nothing to do with the company itself. Yes, there are some news, but the traders who decide. What? Options house? No. I think you are wrong. I have a paper trade account from 2010, and I made videos in the free training. I still have it. They don't take it. No. You should go there and check. You have always two accounts. One free, and one is with your money. You should ask them. Maybe ask. I don't know. Yes. Even here, they can give you 100,000, 500,000, $1 million, and they ask you to trade whatever. I have no idea, but see, I have my own. Maybe they change things, but my account, my paper account, I have it from 2010, and I'm still having it. So they don't take it out. I am still using it. It means it is still there. The other time I do videos just for explanation, and I put it into the free training about the chart. They are there. No, I trade penny stocks also. I trade, but not pump and dump scheme. I always do the stocks that are normal stocks in penny stocks. It means they don't move that fast as a pump and dump scheme. Okay, and those mostly day traders, they don't know about them. That's why I always trade those kind of stocks. Mostly the stocks that are going up, not stocks that were $20 and now it is $1 and I go to trade them. No, I always trade something that it is like new thing, many years or something. But I don't trade a pump and dump scheme, as you can see. Yes, it means in Canada it is different from USA. But here in America we have the same accounts. When they don't pay tax, we have the same accounts also. The same thing. So as I told you before about how to become, you want to do this full time? How much money you have? What do you say? RBC has high commissions. How much is the commission in Canada? How much is the commission? If it is so high, it's bad. It's bad. No, I don't test other strategies. I do my own, and I don't care about what the other people do, because my strategy is based only on price, something that you can see, I can see, and everybody see. But the criteria, it gives you how to buy and how to sell. This criteria is different from a trader to another trader. Even if two people are making money from the market, you find that techniques are different, but most of the time they have the same basics. The basics, they know how to handle their account. They don't do stupid trades. They don't do high trade risk in trades. It's a lot of things they do in their account. That's why they keep their money growing without losing that much. Oh, how much? 9.95. Oh, that's big. It means if you lose $10 in each trade, you lose $20. Buy and sell. $20 is a lot of money. Is a lot of money, especially for those who do day trading. They will wipe out their account very quick. Oh yes, they should really sell their house, because it's $10 is too much. Okay, congratulations, Martin Miner, for going to be married. Okay, it's a very good thing. Now, as I told you, how to be a professional trader, you should begin with the first beginning. Begin to have a strategy, and you can begin to study and practice, even on paper. But understand that paper, it doesn't let you have the full experience. Because a lot of people, they ask me, oh, we use paper for 1 year or two. It doesn't. Even if you stay 10 years with the paper and you think that you are doing good trading, but whenever you begin to trade, you lose. Why? Because you don't feel the money. You should feel the money when you buy and you are real in the market. When you lose and when you make money. This is the good thing. So as I told you, for those who are in Canada, it's a big money to pay $19.90. It means they are nearly $20. Okay, it's a big money. It means if your account is small, it will eat all your profits. But by the time, by 1 year or two, you will be losing a lot of money. So, as I told you, you need to use real money. Even if it is a little money, you should be feeling the money in the market. Because on paper, if you make $100,000 as a profit, you don't feel it. If you lose $100,000 or 1 million, you don't feel it for real, because you say it's not real. You are happy. That's why trading is to challenge your feelings. We have seen this in one of my live streaming in the past. The psychology of the trader. If you have time, you can go and check this session when we see psychology of trader. It means you should do things in real. This is the problem. Okay, you should do it in real. So, hey, MC for peace. Whatever money you make, it is yours. Okay, whatever money you make in your margin account, they will ask you just the percentage, which is the interest rate. But if you lose all the money that you lose, it is your loss. So it's taken from your money, not from his money. Okay. So his money, it is not a grant, it is a loan for you. If you know how to trade and you make money, it's good. But if you don't know how to make money and you are a beginner, I advise you not to use margin account, because it is people's money. It's not your money. When you lose your money, it's okay. But when you lose other people's money, it's a bad, because they will take all your money. So doubling the profit, it means whatever profit that you see. Let's say you have $10,000. Your broker give you $10,000. You have $20,000. You buy shares. Let's say you make $5,000 as profit in that trades in 1 month, for example. $5,000, it's all yours, except they take percentage, 1 or 2 or 3% with this what we call the loan, because they give you a loan. But let's say you lose $5,000. What does it mean? It means you have 10,000, you lose 5,000 from it, and you lose the interest rate also, 1 or 2 or 3%. So you will be having $4,000, $900 or something. So you lose half of your money. So be careful of using the margin account. Some accounts will give you 600 to start and no fees, right? Now, what does it mean? They give you 600. They give you $600 and no fees, right? No, this maybe it's like my broker. It gives you 100 free commissions when you begin. Yes. Some people. It is just because you are a new customer, and they want to make it easy for you, so you don't pay 100 trades at the beginning. Okay, so this is just a gift from them, but they don't give you money. It's not true. Even they give you money, as you can see, you will be trading and they will take it out. So it's just virtual money. It's not real money. You can't take this money out of your account and you put it in your bank and you don't trade anymore because they give it to you. No, it's not. They will not give you money. They give you just the ability to see this money, and then when you do trades, they take this money little by little and then become zero. Yes, Schwab or any other broker. Schwab is a very, very big broker. No one will give you money, man. If they give you money, put it in your bank. They will never accept. You will never take it to your bank. Yes. They give always these things, 60 days free from commissions. Yes, they do it. They give sometimes a gift Like a option house that I am with, they give 100 free commissions, which is true, okay? But they don't give you money as real money to take out of your bank, for example. They don't. No, I don't. I don't use margin because I will tell you the truth, because it will take percentage of my money. Let's say it takes 2% or 3% or 5%. This is like having a mortgage, like having a house, and you are paying money. This money, if you add up, it will be a lot of money giving to your broker. Okay, so I don't use margin account. Yes. When you buy and sell the same, yes, I can use the margin account. I have margin account, but I can use it in day trading, like when there is a news, or there is like a IPO, or there is something else that I see I can do a trade. Yes, but it's not to hold overnight. Welcome, MCPs. Yes, it is so bad, Marsha Para. It is so bad. That's why I told you, never go and be in trouble. Never be in trouble. It means put your money and trade with your money. If you make money, it's yours. If you lose, it's yours. So at least you will have no problem with anyone. But if you have a loan, a big loan, a margin account, and you lose a lot, you will be paying other people. Now, see, I don't use it. I see it. They don't give the bid and the ask, and they say there is no commission. I don't. They send me at the beginning, when they begin, they send me an invitation, but I didn't do an account. I don't trade in a rush. I don't use apps to trade. I should use my computer. I have a very big screen, and I should see the chart, see the bid and the ask from my broker. I should see the information. I'm not in a rush to do day trade. So some people, they think that when they have in the app, it makes you easy to buy and sell. I'm not interested to buy and sell very easily. I'm doing swing trading, so I should have to see the chart to do other stuff. So I need a big screen. No, for me, I don't do forex. If you know how to trade, it's okay to do whatever you want. So, but for me, I am used to stocks, and I like stocks more because it is so clear. Everything is clear. The price is clear. The bid and ask is clear. If you buy, if you make money or you lose money, it's clear. Okay? So everything is clear. But forex, the broker takes from the bid and ask. He takes money from you. So it is another game. So I don't like that broker takes money, not paying commission, but you pay a fee. So some brokers, they take a lot of money and you don't know. So that's why a lot of people, they say it's easy, just put whatever money. And what do I do with an account with 1,000, 2,000 or 500? I don't do day trading. That's why I in general, I don't use forex or futures or options. I don't use them. So I use only stocks. No, see, penny stocks, I use them. And small stocks, $7, $10, $12, $15, because these stocks go fast. But these stocks, I don't use pump and dump scheme stocks. Stocks that they go high so good and they go down so bad. This, I don't use them because there is a big risk when you put a lot of money. There is a big risk because there is a lot of play there. So I use some stocks that are slow and they are not pump and dump scheme. This is what I use. But I use them. Sometimes I use, not always, but I can buy whatever stock, and you can make a lot of money from them also, which is very good. That's why I told you that you can make thousands of dollars in each trade if you get good trades. You buy a lot of shares. Yes, but see, sometimes we have exceptions. Okay, I'm telling you the truth. If the trade I told you before, let's say the stock is $1. Let's say you just put all your money, you have $10,000. It goes to $40 or $50 in 1 month or 2 or 3. Okay? Are you going to make money? Yes, a lot of money. But these are exceptions in the market. It is not you trade always like this. And you should do what we call higher risk trades. There are a lot of people, they lost completely their money in penny stock. Completely. All what they have, they lost it because they do very, very high risk trades. Okay? If you have money and you want to risk all, okay, and you want to do pump and dump schemes, you can do them. But there is no guarantee that you make money. Maybe you lose all your money. So you should be okay with that. You say, Tampa, what is the best amount for swing trading? Any money. So swing trading is just you buy and you hold for many days or weeks or months. Sometimes 1 month, 2 months, 6 months. It depends on the stock. So you will take all the money in the trend, which is very good. And you don't pay commission, you pay only once. When you buy once, when you sell once. But if you do day trading, you should always buy and sell stocks. And this will have large commissions. Have you traded after hours? Yes. Sometimes I buy when there is news, like a earning news only. Sometimes I see a lot of money, I sell. I don't wait until tomorrow, but most of the time I wait until the morning and I see. This is the only thing I do because it's a very troubled day and you can make a lot of money from it. No. When you buy one stock, let's say I will give you an example to understand MCPs, to understand very clearly what I'm saying. You put $100,000 into a stock. Okay? It was $50. Just an example, okay? I'm just giving an example. There is news, it means earning news, and this stock is gapping up and down. You know this because you see the chart. Sometimes the ups and downs. You put $100,000. The next day you will get a gap down with 50%. The stock was $50. It goes to $25. How much you lost? You lost half of your money. Is this a way to be a trader? No. You are doing so high risk trades because you are thinking only how much you make if there is a gap up, but you are not making, studying your risk. Stop loss doesn't work. So your $50,000 has been lost forever. And in order to make $50,000 in the future, you should make 100% because you have only $50,000. Just to make the money, I don't know in how many months, or 1 year or 2 or 3. I don't know if you are a good trader. But if you are doing risky trades, that's why I teach you in training level 8. Training level 8, I do how to minimize risk and how to maximize profits. These are techniques to show you what you should do always in your account. Don't play too much. But going up or going down is a possibility, is a probability for both. A stock can go up or can go down. Even with the good news, sometimes the stock go down. So there is no guarantee that you make money, and you are putting all your money in one basket. It's like when you're putting all your eggs in one basket and then you crush them. That's why I am not with high risk trades, because I told you, I give you the example, 100,000 you lose 50,000. 50,000, it's a lot of money to lose in one day. It's a lot of money. But some people, why some people they are losing a lot from their money? Sometimes people, they have millions of dollars and they lose it all because they want to do risky trades. They don't understand how risk they are doing. Oh, yeah, but MC for peace, you will never know. Either in the future, maybe in 10 years, maybe you have that money, but you get tempted to do the same thing. Okay? I am always with dividing the account into positions. I am not with trading all with my account. But some people, they like it. Okay? Some people, they like it in normal trading without news. Okay? Not news, like earning dates, and you go to buy stocks that go up and go down in gap up and gap down, and you try to play the game. Sometimes you get a bad game, a bad trade, a gap down, and you lose a lot of money. That's why I'm telling you, even $5,000 you can. Yes, but you say, of course, because you don't have money. But some traders are like they are not careful enough. They get tempted to do this. That's why I told you, when you become disciplined and you become professional trader, you don't play that games in the market, because you know if you play that games and you get bad, you will lose a lot of money. Yes, 2 positions, like 5,000, 2 positions, good. It means you minimize the risk. Now, Martin Miner, my account is divided into positions, and if the stock is small, like $5, $2, $7, I buy less because the risk is more and the percentage is high. A stock, for example, goes 10% each day, so it is not the same as a normal stock that goes 1%. So you see, so I buy less. So I buy less, and my account is divided into many positions. I don't buy all my money with my position. Yes, buy it. No, drugs and other kind of stocks that are very volatile, so you should be careful of that. Yes, Jesse Livermore is a good trader or excellent trader, but he does high risk trades. You can have a lot of money and you can go bankrupt, because I think he go bankrupt 4 times. He lost everything. But this guy is just he lost all and then he make it all. He has loans, but he is, you know, he can go to prison for that because he doesn't have money, because he borrowed money, and if he lost, he will be in prison. But it is his way of life. He likes risk. Okay, and he doesn't care that much. That's why he has 4 times going to zero. Okay, and all the people, and he do bankruptcy. Do you know what bankruptcy? It means you can't pay anyone, and you don't have money, you don't have job, you have nothing. You can't pay because he has a lot of loans. Thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars, or millions of dollars. He lost it all, but he make it all. Because this guy, he knows how to trade, and he can have loans, and he will start over and over and over. But not all the people can do the same as him. No. Incredible product. Livermore was not rich. He has money, and then he lost it all, and then he make a lot of millions of dollars, and he then lost it more 4 times. He was like 4 bankrupt 4 times in his life. You mean he has millions of dollars, and then he lost it all? It's just because sometimes he does very high risk trades. Now he killed himself. I don't know why he killed himself. He died right now. We can't ask, and no one knows why. So a lot of people, they do suicide because I don't know. Excuse me. So you said when it's time to sell, you sell everything. Yes, it means I always sell by using stop loss. So that's it. Either to get a profit or to do the stop loss for initial stop loss. I always use the stop loss to get out. No, he trades a lot. He trades a lot, and that's why he was very famous of shorting stocks. And he was waiting for opportunities in the market, like when mutual funds they begin to see in the morning that the huge stocks begin to go down, so he jumped on good stocks and he short them. He short them heavily because it doesn't mean he knows. No, he doesn't know anything, but because of the price, he look at the price. Okay. And he has a seat in the New York Exchange. Before he took $10,000 and he lost it all, but he come back again with $10,000 again, and he make millions dollars later. So he was a very, very good trader. No. See, Warren Buffett, he has money. He was the son of a broker. At that time, commissions was hundreds of dollars, just commission to buy or to sell. It was so expensive. So he has money to buy big chunks of companies. He buys 10% of a company. Like I think Geico, Coca-Cola, and the other stuff. You know, this guy is big. It means he buys a lot. He doesn't buy like you and I, few hundred shares. Okay, he buys parts of the company. So not small account. Don't think that Warren Buffett begins with a small account. And it was in the right time when because of the market. If you look at the market, it is not him. He just come in the right moment at the beginning of the big bull in the stock market. Go and check the stocks that he bought. Okay, It's all the market. It's not only those stocks. Other people become billionaires also, who buy the same as him. Other companies also. So it's not only one Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is just known, okay, and the media give him too much attention. But there are others that are billionaire and no one talks about them. No, Jesse Livermore was day trading before, and then he do swing trading. He doesn't do day trading anymore because he sees that the money is little. Even he make a lot, but it was little. But when he stays long, and he buys commodities, he buys a lot of stuff. It's not only stocks. Hey, Martin Miner, there are things related to my strategy, explanation, and details. I don't discuss them here. So you should either Martin Miner take training level 2 or taking the subscription. You study it, and then we can talk about the averages and the techniques that we use. Yes, market crash. When they see the market is going up a long time, like 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, they expect, but no one knows. But for us, what's the problem? If the market will begin to crash, we are out of the market and we keep our money. We are not investing, because investors, they got the big hit, because what you make in 10 years, in 1 year you can lose it. So it's very hard. It's very hard for investors, not for traders. If things goes down, we can go and short the whole market. That's it, and we will be making money when the market is going down. Okay, as the opposite of investors who buy long, and they can't exit in the trade because they lose a lot. Yes, the market will crash this year. Each year, these people, they say this year, and they didn't crash. It's just because they, you know, why you think about the future and you are not there yet. Maybe you die. This guy who speaks about the market dies, and then after he dies, the market crash. Not when he is alive. So these people are just, talking. They have no money in the market. They have nothing. They just talk until they die. So they are not in the market. Yes, the adventures, why not? Money comes with money. Maybe you come a millionaire or billionaire. What is it? The money comes and goes. Yes. When the market becomes to crash, it will stay going down for months, like what did happen with gold and silver, precious metals in 2011 in April. April is the peak when they get the highest price. For gold, it was 1880, and I think for silver it was $48.48. I think this is the price in April 2011. Now the people, they don't believe that these prices will go down, so they stay, so they lose a lot of money. So what are your facts trading books for beginning? Oh, you mean books? I have a list, made a list in one video. If you go to my channel and you put recommended books, and you can read. But understand, the books you read for ideas, but they don't give you a strategy. They don't give you where to buy or how to buy, where to search, or they don't. Okay, so you just read for ideas, for what they do. That's why my strategies are so simple, and it is direct. It means when you are following my strategies, it will be direct things. So you can read books, but just for getting more educational material, but it's not directly applied to the market. They don't show you Babylon is falling. Yes, it might be falling. Now, as I told you before, how to become professional trader, it needs a strategy, it needs money, it needs you practice, and you be serious to stay many years. It's not just you think to trade stocks and then 2 months or 3 months you lose a little money or some money, and then you get mad, and then you close your account, you take your money, what is left, and you say, all are scammers, the market took my money, and you begin to give excuses to yourself not to finish. You should continue. You should continue trading for many years. Okay, you should save more money for your account. You will have, when you begin to trade and you know how to trade, you will begin to see good trades. Okay, thousands of dollars each trade. You begin to see that when you begin to practicing. Okay, and then it becomes just a game. You have money, you make more money. You don't have money, you will not succeed because you don't have money. Okay, you will be staying in the same position because you don't have that much money. But when you have some money and you begin to let's say trade more and more, you begin making money from that. And the whole account, the bigger the account will be, the more money you will have, depending on your understanding, depending on which stocks you are in. Because you find 2 traders or many traders, some they lose, some they win. Now, some they are in good trades, they win, some they are losers, they lose. It depends on when you search for the stock, what stock you buy, and this is will make you a loser or a winner. Okay, so this is in general the thing. So this is for how to become a professional trader. As I told you before, you should do like a swing trading, and you should continue, you practice, you save more money for your account, you stay disciplined. If you are doing, you should stop doing high risk trades. You should be disciplined. You should correct all your mistakes. For example, if you go to training level 17, how to solve your trading problems, you will find 28 problems, and with the solutions, you should know these problems because you might be doing some problems and you don't know. That's why at the end of the year you will be losing money, but you don't know what's wrong. Okay, so for me, I am here always. Whenever you take the training, whatever training you take, you see, for example, I am here. When you do any training, you have questions, you begin to practice, ask me. So Tamba Nair, I have observed that gold performed better in market crash than other stocks. No. Stocks from the beginning of 20th century or 19th century, stocks are doing better than anyone else. Then precious metals, gold and silver, the other, then bonds, and then the other thing. It has the highest, in general, it has the highest, and no one has gone more than the stock market. This is just to know. If you go to the chart, you will see. Okay, you will see how things work from the beginning of the century to now. So stocks are better than anything else. Okay, so we are at the end of this session. Please, if you have more questions about how to become or be a professional trader, please ask questions, because we will be finishing this session right now. So if you have more questions, please ask. We have been like 3 hours 45 minutes. Okay, so and we should finish this session. If later, if you have more questions, ask me questions in my like Buffett said, if you buy 1 limb of gold in 10 years, it will be 1 limb. Yes, yes, incredible product is true. It's true, because companies becomes bigger and bigger and bigger, and gold, it stays. You bought 1 ounce of gold. After 100 years, it becomes 1 ounce of gold. It doesn't change. But a stock, it is $1. It can go to $10. It can go to $20, $100, $700. Okay, so stocks can become big because they move by themselves. But gold, it can't move. What you buy is what you say. But here, I'm not talking about gold and silver, but stocks, like mining stocks, they can go also. So they are stocks. They are not gold and silver. Thank you very much for all you guys. Thanks a billion. So thanks. I highly appreciate your education. Thank you, Tamba, Nair. Thank you very much. Thank you, all of you guys who have been staying 3 hours 45 talking, and you are listening. It's too much, but it's okay. Almost 2 a.m. the morning here. Night Kareem. Thank you very much. Here it's nearly 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. o'clock. It's very good to talk to you guys. And if you have more questions, good night. Thank you very much, and see you next week. If you have other subjects, we can put them. If you have questions, just we set them for next session, which is on. Yes, I know you change your ID, App Ventures, and you become millionaire or billionaire. Yes, it's a very good thing. Guys, enable YouTube notification and sub this channel so that you know that Karim is here time. Yes, thank you very much. I always get some coffee. Yes, I'm always having coffee. I am in my 2nd cup right now, and I will stay more, and maybe I have the 3rd cup, and then I will go to sleep. So I drink a lot of coffee. Yes, here is the website for those training level 1 who have not seen it. Try to see it for those who didn't. Thank you very much. I'm getting ready for Ramadan. Yes, thank you very much for all you guys, and see you next week if God wills. Thank you very much, and thank you.